I think he's a true blessing, man. Like I say, universe did try really hard to get us together, and here we are in the most beautiful.
क्या आपने देखा कि उनके गार्ड्स थे वो थोड़ा 100% नहीं दे रही थी क्योंकि उनको डर था कि यार I've had a problem in the past.
You know,
तो I'm going to ask both of you in your previous relationship.
Yes.
आपने लॉयल्टी नहीं देखी है कभी कभार?
yes.
Yeah, both of us are on the same page there.
डिसरिस्पेक्ट?
Yes.
Yes. मतलब वो जितना मजा कराती हैं, जितने chirpy, जितना मतलब if I'm around her, I can never get bored. She's
I love you.
I love you too. She's a child.
सेंटी हो रही है ये बहुत यार.
He's so used to this.
Akash comes in. I was getting reviewed for a marketing campaign with Mrs. Ambani sitting, heading the campaign. She's so nicely, we've had our dinner, sab kuch, we've been fed everything. I'm sure you've seen all of that. That they're so humble and human as a family. वो खत्म हो गया, and then before I'm about to leave at 11 o'clock, I see a huge cake outside where they are trying to celebrate my birthday with me on the campus because they said that 11 बज के अब तू कहीं जाएगा बाहर. So we will celebrate it for you, and the entire family comes in and celebrates it with you.
ये जिया शंकर, पूजा भट्ट, मनीषा रानीज, ये सब दोस्त हैं. हंस रहे हैं. हंस क्यों रहा है?
What a politically correct answer. I'm hoping.
After they come out of the house after a couple of months saying, अच्छा यार चलो जिया शंकर के साथ चीजें ठीक नहीं थी, but अब I'm okay. I want to be friends again.
But
ऐसा
हम
सीन
भी
है. Would you be okay with her kissing on the screen?
So
He wants to get married to me 9 times?
7
times. मैं ज्यादा बोल दिया. मतलब वो तो इतने overwhelmed, इतने he
वो रो रहे
teared
थे.
up.
And I didn't know what to do.
He
Like he
just
hugged
started-
me and he started.
पहला मीटिंग था.
पहला मीटिंग था जब मैं उनके घर गया. It was Diwali.
पर ये मुझे बताओ कभी कभार ये डर भी रहता है कि चीजें बहुत फास्ट हो रही है. 8 महीना ही हुआ है कि यार सडनली मीटिंग, रोमांस, एंगेजमेंट, मैरिज, वो डर लगता है.
वो नहीं.
तो दो लवर्स एक साथ बैठे हुए हैं.
मेरा हंसना ही बंद नहीं हो रहा है अभी.
हाँ तो हम लोग बात कर रहे थे कि
Yes.
कैसे रोहन जो है आपको
जी.
किसी दे रहे थे इंटरव्यू से पहले, और हम लोग बात कर रहे थे कि ये किसी को शो के टाइम पे देंगे कि नहीं. वही ना.
आई थिंक जितना मैं रोहन को जानती हूँ, अपने आप को बिल्कुल नहीं रोकता है ये सब चीजें करने से पहले.
एक दे
He just
सकते हो
goes-
किसी चीज में यार. देखो क्या सो स्वीट यार.
baby.
क्या बात है यार. तो रोहन जब तुम आए रूम में, मेरा फर्स्ट रिएक्शन ये था कि यार ये बड़ा भोला फेस है. तो वाकई में ये बंदा भोला है कि नहीं, पहले तुम बताओ, या ये फेस मिसलीडिंग है?
नहीं, मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि भोला है. Face is it's the same, the cover is the same as the inside. But 1 घंटे के बाद शायद आपको पता, आप बता पाओगे कि मैं भोला हूँ कि नहीं हूँ.
भोला है कि नहीं है?
वो कहते हैं ना, जो दिखता है वो बिकता है. मेरे लिए तो ये फेस काम कर गया. एंड आई थिंक इट्स नॉट जस्ट what he looks on the outside. I think he's the same in the inside also. He's very innocent. More than innocent, I think he's got a heart of gold, जो कि जिसके लिए मैं एकदम बावली हो गई. So yeah, जो innocence तो है.
क्या वर्ड यूज किया तुमने? बावली हो
बावली
मैं
गई.
बावली हो गई.
हाउ स्वीट यार. तो ये बताओ कि आपने इनको चुना कि यही है वो,
यही है वो, यही है वो.
यही है. ऐसा था?
ठीक है, मैं प्लेन वनीला वर्जन सुनाता हूँ, फिर हम मसाला बॉलीवुड से रहेंगे.
हाँ ठीक है.
तो हम दोनों एक ही रेस्टोरेंट में थे. बहुत कम चांसेस होते हैं कि ऐसे कि आप उस रेस्टोरेंट में साथ में मिले, बिकॉज आई एम वेरी इनवर्ट पर्सन, कॉर्पोरेट हूँ. ज़्यादा सैटरडे को मैं रेस्टोरेंट की जगह सेवा में मिलूंगा, ये बाहर रेज करती हुई पार्टी में मिलेंगे. देयर वाज नो चांस कि हम एक जगह मिल रहे होते. हम दोनों डिनर पे गए. आई वाज विद समवन, शी वाज विद हर फैमिली. हम दोनों, शी न्यू द पर्सन आई वाज विद. तो ये अपने टेबल से उठी, वो चल के इस तरफ आई और उनको मिली. मैं ऐसे देख रहा हूँ, फिर मैं उठा, दोनों ने ग्रीट किया. आई फिगर्ड हु शी वॉज, बिकॉज मैंने बिग बॉस में देखा था. बिकॉज ऑफ वर्क आई डोंट वॉच टू मच बिग बॉस, बिकॉज ऑफ वर्क मेरे को पता रहना पड़ता है कि क्या चल रहा है, कैसा चल रहा है. एंड वही एक सीजन था जिसमें मैंने देखा, मैंने 2 हफ्ता इनको देखा, और जैसे वो निकली मैंने कहा यार काश वापस आ जाए. अच्छा लग रहा था.
मोहब्बत थ्रू बिग बॉस. जनरली मोहब्बत घर के अंदर होता है, ये बाहर
बाहर
हो
हो
गया
गया.
बिग बॉस.
वो शो ने कुछ तो अच्छा किया मेरे लिए. सिड.
आई गेट इट.
मेरे लिए भी.
तो फिर आप अपसेट हो गए कि यार क्यों निकली ये?
अपसेट हो गया कि क्यों निकली, लाइक अ लॉट ऑफ अदर पीपल। आई थिंक कॉमन कंसेंसस था कि इनको वापस बुलाओ, ट्रेंड हो रहा था वगैरह। तो हम मिले एंड द वे वी कनेक्टेड वाज, हम दोनों एक किसी कॉमन आदमी को डिसलाइक करते थे, तो वी कनेक्टेड फॉर 2 मिनट्स। हमने बिच किया, हमने उसको बाहर निकाला लाइफ से, एंड देन वी गॉट स्पीकिंग, लाइक 2-4 मिनट हमने बात की होगी, एंड वो सडन कनेक्ट होता है ना, दैट आई सॉ हर, आई वाज लाइक व्हाट अ डैशिंग, ब्यूटीफुल, स्मार्ट, इंटेलेक्चुअल, एकदम वेल प्रॉपर, जैसे दिखती हैं वैसी हैं।
And then you realize it wasn't like that.
Never, not till date.
ये पलक के अगेंस्ट करो सेशन क्यों बन रहा है?
Not till date, not till
I love
date.
you, Sid. I still love you.
Not till date. So वो हुआ and we kind of parted ways. उसके बाद हमने ज़्यादा बात नहीं करी। उसके 2 महीने बाद, when I wasn't really into someone, seeing anyone, I reached out to. I've never ever in my life reached out to any girl individually. मेरे पास मेरा वो बहुत ईगो है कि क्यों नहीं चेस कर सकते आप, करो ना। तो मैं खुद से चल के नहीं, तो आई पिक्ड अप द फोन एंड आई डीएमड हर, ये सोच के अपना ईगो साइड पे रख के कि कैन आई टेक यू आउट फॉर कॉफ़ी। सीधा मैंने ये लिखा, एंड उनका वर्जन अभी सुनेंगे तो आपको ज़्यादा मजा आएगा, बिकॉज शी सेड यस एंड अ लॉट वाज हैपनिंग बिहाइंड द सीन्स। ऐसा नहीं था कि मुझे पता था, एंड दैट्स व्हेन द मैजिक स्टार्टेड।
How nice. Before पलक अपनी स्टोरी बताएगी, मेरा बहुत अटैचमेंट इसके साथ तब हुआ, जो मैं थोड़ा आपको बताया था बिफोर दैट, बट वापस बोलता हूँ। तो NSCI डोम में there was these DJs playing, माने hardcore handle। तो मैं, मेरी वाइफ नेहा, अदीरा एंड साइशा, अदीरा is 9 and साइशा 6 now, बट शायद उस समय 1-2 साल पहले था, तो 7 and 5
Very
types,
young.
and there were these group of very pretty girls, ये सब कर रहे हैं, डांस कर रहे हैं, of course, कितने stunning है, बहुत cool, ये कर रहे हैं, ये कर रहे हैं, and me, my wife and my 2 daughters, we were also dancing next to him.
Yeah.
Suddenly, I didn't know her name. ये pre-Big Boss था क्या?
Yeah, pre-Big Boss.
Pre-Big Boss. So I didn't even know her name. And suddenly, she starts talking to my elder daughter, younger daughter, and then they are all dancing together, and they're doing this. And I just looked, and मेरी wife और मैं यही बात कर रहे थे कि these girls, the young girls, they here to rage. वो लोग खुद time निकाल के ये तो cute girls के साथ hang out कर रहे हैं. And I said, they don't need to do this. But they were doing it. And then later on, I realized who she was. We met a couple of times. And I liked that, yeah.
Yeah. You know, one of the things that you rightly said, Sid, about her is she's got that motherly instinct. And not just a lot of people in the group as well, but she's also got that thing for her group. So when I met them, we've all seen friends. Like, हम मिलते हैं, मस्ती करते हैं, गाली गलौज करते हैं, भूल जाते हैं, next day we are again back to our life. इनका मैंने देखा है कि they are there, not just through thick and thin, they're almost there like family. कि उसको प्रॉब्लम है ना, सामने वाला इज गोइंग थ्रू डिप्रेशन, ये भी डिप्रेशन में जाएगी, ये भी वैसे ही, शी इज लिविंग दैट लाइफ, एंड आई एम लाइक समटाइम्स यू नीड टू लेसन दैट थिंग बिकॉज इट्स टेकिंग अ टोल ऑन यू। एंड अगर 10 लोग हैं तो आपका 10 महीना वैसे ही जाएगा कि आपने एक बार एक के लिए किया, दूसरा तीसरा करते करते, बट आई थिंक दैट्स द मोस्ट ब्यूटीफुल, आई रियलाइज दैट यू कैन नॉट स्टॉप दैट बिकॉज दैट्स द मोस्ट ब्यूटीफुल क्वालिटी दैट यू ब्रिंग टू द टेबल, कि अगर आप उनके साथ कर रहे हो दैट इज इनहेरेंटली यू। तो मुझे भी जो केयर मिलती है, मुझे जो प्रोटेक्शन मिलता है, मोस्टली क्या होता है, लड़का है प्रोटेक्ट करेगा, but the kind of emotional protection I get from her, it's because of that nature that she brings to the table. It's beautiful, like you said.
क्या? हाँ? Okay, अब तेरा version, चल.
अब the real
अब-
masala.
हाँ, I like this. It's like having 2 feature films
parallelly.
running parallelly, same topic पर, हाँ.
I need some dramatic lights and some sound in the background, guys. But okay, I think Rohan ने काफी कुछ cover कर दिया है, but my version is a little twist and dramatic. So मेरा POV मैं बताती हूँ, मैं रेस्टोरेंट में बैठी थी and I was with my brother and my going to be भाभी, हम लोग डिनर कर रहे थे, and suddenly मेरी बार पे नजर जाती है, there comes a guy walking inside the restaurant and there was this another person with him जिसको मैं already जानती थी। अब बेचारा स्ट्रगल कर रहा है उसकी फोटोज लेने में बार पे, मैंने बोला क्या बेचारे को इतना स्ट्रगल आए नहीं है, अंदर ऑलरेडी फोटोज लेने लग गया है ये। एंड देन दे वॉकड इन इनसाइड एंड आई वाज जस्ट लुकिंग डाउन, आई वाज टेलिंग माय ब्रदर शैंकी, तो you've met, so I was telling Shanky that oh I think I know that person on the table, let me at least just go say hi because नहीं तो रूड लगेगा। एंड उसने मुझे ऑलरेडी देख लिया था, तो आई लाइक मैं डॉज कर लूँ क्या, छोड़ो क्या इतना स्मॉल टॉक्स, अभी आई मीन अ फैमिली गैदरिंग, क्या स्मॉल टॉक्स। देन शी सॉ मी बाय दैट टेबल, तो मैंने बोला अब तो उठ के जाना ही पड़ेगा बात करने। तो आई गॉट अप फ्रॉम द टेबल, आई वॉकड अप टू दैट टेबल एंड आई सॉ, मैंने बोला यार ये इतना भोला भाला, इतना अच्छा, innocent, like the first thing that you caught was his innocence on his face. That was the first thing that even I saw. He's such an innocent boy and so good looking with that pleasing aura. So I went and I met her, and then she introduced me to him. That's Rohan, that's my friend and all. I said, hi Rohan, this is Palak. And then I don't know what said, like, कुछ तो था, कुछ तो spark था उस time when I looked into his eyes when we met, and we briefly spoke for 5 minutes. And मतलब that person, the other third person, started talking to me about somebody that I knew in the past. उसके बारे में हम बात कर रहे थे, and I was like, I don't know about that person, where that person is now, and I don't like to even talk about it. To which he added, हाँ, I agree with her. And I looked at him. I said, तुम जानते हो? बोला, हाँ, मैं जानता हूँ, but you know, you were right here. I said, yeah, and that's where we came on the same page with that thing. Then that conversation led to about my work and everything. Tab what he described, that he judged me there, and like he thought that, oh, she's smart, she's well spoken and all of that. Now, cut to, मैं मिली उससे, but ये इंसान मेरे दिमाग से जा ही नहीं रहा है. अभी तब तो टेबल पे आई केप्ट लुकिंग एट हिम, बट देन आई वाज लाइक, ठीक है, मैं अपनी फैमिली के साथ आया हूँ, वो किसी के साथ आया, लेट्स जस्ट कंटिन्यू एंड ऑल. नाउ this guy just kept crossing my mind, not in an obsessive way but in a spiritual way, because वो 2 महीने में ना मैंने मतलब I got very inclined towards spirituality. मैंने Art of Living join किया, मैं क्रिया करती थी. मैं जब भी क्रिया में बैठती थी, in that 2 months I had a lot of peace and silence, but he was the only man speaking in my mind in the most beautiful way, and I couldn't get that picture out of my mind. मैंने इसको स्टॉक किया. रोहन नाम तो पहला याद था. मैं उस बंदी के प्रोफाइल पे गई, मैंने बोला रोहन नाम का क्या, लास्ट नेम तो पता नहीं था, कुछ नहीं पता क्या करता है रोहन. मैंने बोला यार प्रोफाइल लॉक्ड है ये तो. और मैंने हमेशा जर्नल में अपने ये चीज़ लिखा था, दैट द काइंड ऑफ मैन दैट आई वांटेड एंड द गुरुदेव दैट आई फॉलो, नम्र मुनि जी. So to him also I told him that I need someone spiritual in my life, someone who will love me for who I am, would respect me for who I am, and you know, just मुझे किसी से organically मिलना है, not in the most cliche way on a dating app or you know like matchmaking हो रही है and all that. So I think it was the most beautiful way that we both met, and then after 2 months I almost forgot about it. Then comes Rohan Khanna like a sweet notification on my Instagram.
माने 2 महीना
2 महीना
आप परस्यू करने की कोशिश करी थी,
हाँ,
नहीं
but मैंने
हुआ,
नहीं किया.
और ये पॉप अप गए बाद
हाँ,
में.
पॉप अप किया, क्योंकि ये यूनिवर्स हैड इट्स ओन वे ऑफ गेटिंग अस टुगेदर. आई फेल्ट मतलब इन द मोस्ट स्पिरिचुअल वे. मैंने हमेशा ये सुना था, डेस्टिनी, स्पिरिचुअलिटी, आप लिखो, ऑल ऑफ दैट, यू नो, यू आस्क फॉर इट, यू विल गेट इट. बट दिस वाज अ लिविंग प्रूफ इन माई लाइफ दैट आई asked for it in the most purest form, and he was right there. और फिर तो मेरे मन में लड्डू फूट दिया. इसका मैंने नाम देगा, मैंने बोला can I take you out for a coffee, you might remember me as that guy you met at that restaurant. I said okay, लगता है बंदा सिंगल है तो हो सकता है. तो मैंने थोड़ा सा भाव खाया. I took a step back. I said let's see how to go about it. Then I think we started talking. I dodged a couple of times. एक बार बोला ठीक है, let's see, we'll meet, we'll plan. But I think his way of approaching was also so genuine, so sweet. He never came across someone who's desperate, who's out there. Bilkul bhi nahi. And I think that was the time we just hit it off. And then he took me, maine bola, so it's a dinner date, that means. And he took me out on a dinner date. And I think the conversations was all about spirituality, our families, our lives. And we come from 2 very different backgrounds, but we are so similar on a human level, which makes it so special and beautiful, I feel.
तो पहला डिनर डेट हुआ, बट वो पहली बार आप लोग मिले थे.
पहली बार, सेकंड टाइम मिले. पहली बार तो हम उस रेस्टोरेंट में मिले थे.
हाँ हाँ.
सेकंड टाइम हम प्रॉपर्ली फॉर्मली ऑन अ डेट मिले.
And it was only about family, about
spirituality, and of course a lot about our lives, because
Yeah.
मुझे पता था that you know he's from a different profession altogether, I'm from a different profession altogether. So he's a very smart, intelligent man, okay? So there was a point where you know, ऐसा होता है काफ़ी partners में where one person is from a corporate background and the other is an actor, comes from a professional, which is obviously, you know. So, but here I never felt that in a conversation it was all about learning and growing and glowing with him. There's so much that he would add on the table. Not even once would I feel that, oh my God, like, I don't know anything about his field. I don't know anything about his profession. मतलब मुझे कुछ पता ही नहीं है. There's not even a single point in life where he makes me feel, oh, तुम्हें तो कुछ नहीं पता, or you know, like you're not aware of certain things. He always makes me feel there's so much more to learn from two different professions. So that just adds on a lot of spark in the relationship, I feel, being from two different major professions and coming together.
तो ये बार बार बोल रही है कि आप different professions, so आप करते क्या है, just for our understanding.
So I head two verticals for a
जी.
company called Reliance Jio. So I head their product and pricing nationally. So mobility, fixed line, enterprise. आप जो भी चीज़ें यूज़ करते हो कनेक्टिविटी की, सो आई हैड देयर प्रोडक्ट एंड प्राइसिंग. सो जो भी प्लान्स आप देखते हो, जो भी वो धमाके वाले ऑफर्स आए थे वगैरह, सो लास्ट 12 years आई हैव बीन विद देम. एंड सेकंड इज आई हैड मार्केटिंग कम्युनिकेशंस फॉर देम.
आपके पेरेंट्स भी कॉर्पोरेट वर्ल्ड से हैं?
नहीं, मेरे फैमिली में कोई भी कॉर्पोरेट वर्ल्ड से नहीं था. इनफैक्ट मेरी स्टोरी ऐसी रही है कि मेरे को जब इंजीनियरिंग करनी थी तो द वे आई डिसाइडेड वाज आई डिड वेल career wise because there was a slump that I saw in the business. So dad had a fireworks का business Calcutta में. He had a couple of factories also doing very well, maybe upper middle class, सब कुछ था, अपना बंगलो वगैरह. And suddenly there came a moment in life where I saw a downfall that Bengal banned firecrackers just 2 weeks before Diwali. And Diwali ऐसा टाइम होता था कि आप घर का जो भी एसेट है, मतलब ऐसा बोलते हैं ना कि आप अपने जेवर भी बेच के पैसे लगाओ बिकॉज वो ट्रिपल होने वाले हैं, बिकॉज इतना बिकने वाला है, इतना सप्लाई जाने वाला है. एंड सडनली एवरीथिंग वाज गॉन ओवरनाइट. And that's when mom told me, like I also used to play cricket professionally for Bengal, etc. So that's when I had to take a stance कि अभी वो उस साइड जाना है कि इस साइड. एंड मॉम वाज वेरी क्लियर. उन्होंने मेरे लिए इतना एफर्ट किया है ना that I can't ever, like they are the gods I believe in, my parents, and they've worked really hard for me to get me to a place. And अच्छे स्कूल में जब क्लास 1 में होता है ना कि सबको जाना है, एंड कैलकटा हैज़ दिस होल कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ आप जितना भी दूर हो आपको एक कॉन्वेंट स्कूल में जाना ही जाना है. एंड इट वाज 45 kilometers फ्रॉम माई हाउस. शी यूज्ड टू टेक मी फॉर ट्यूशंस टू मेक श्योर दैट आई गेट इनटू दैट. सो मेरे पूरे फैमिली में आई वाज द ओनली गाय हु वेंट थ्रू सेंट जेवियर्स कैलकटा, वन ऑफ द बेस्ट स्कूल्स इन द कंट्री.
मेरे दोस्त, मैं कैलकाटा से हूँ. मैं सेंट जेवियर्स कॉलेज के डायगोनली ऑपोजिट रहता था, फोबी वुड स्ट्रीट.
वाह,
मैंने अपनी साइकिल सीखी है वहां पे. एंड आई स्टडीड इन लमाटनियर. हालांकि मैं
हम दोनों का अलग ही केमिस्ट्री है
भाई, मेरा स्कूल बेटर था.
ऐसा सारे लामार्ट्स वाले बोलते हैं. सो वो सब कर आके मैंने इंजीनियरिंग कैसे चूज की, बिकॉज नो वन हैड एन आइडिया इन माय फैमिली कि पढ़ना है तो इंजीनियरिंग करनी है. सो जब ट्रेन्स देखते थे कि पुणे जाना है MIT या फिर पास में नागपुर जाते हैं बिकॉज 18 घंटे लगते हैं वहाँ जाएंगे. उसके बाद व्हेन आई वाज अप्लाइंग फॉर, सो आई वांटेड टू गो अब्रॉड एंड डू माय MS. And that's when my cousins, my sister, everyone was settled abroad. So my uncle, my फूफा जी tells my parents कि नहीं इसको इंडिया में रहने दो, नहीं तो ये बाहर जाएगा, ये भी वापस नहीं आएगा. And rightly so. So I get a call one day कि GRE छोड़ कुछ और दे दे. Because GRE आप MS के लिए कर रहे हो, मैं क्या दे दूँ? So it's such a funny story that my roommate, and we had 3 of us. So he was a Bong and there was a Sardarji. So this Bong roommate of mine who had this thing against the सरदार कि उससे तेरे को ज़्यादा स्कोर करना है, तो वो मेरे को कैट का फॉर्म ला के देता है, बोलता है बस तू उसको बीट कर दे. एंड लाइफ हैड इट. आई सैट फॉर कैट, आई स्कोर्ड 95 or 96 percentile. देन ही गेट्स मी ऑल द कॉलेज के फॉर्म्स. सो मैंने 4-5 कॉलेज के फॉर्म्स मेरे को ला के दिए. एंड एक कॉलेज का था माइका विच वॉज एक्सपेंसिव. बैक इन द डे वो 1400-1500 रुपये का फॉर्म था. And मेरे पॉकेट मनी, आई यूज्ड टू ओनली गेट माई, आई नेवर आस्क्ड पेरेंट्स फॉर मनी. आई यूज्ड टू गो अराउंड कॉलेजेस डूइंग माई कॉन्टेस्ट, जो इंजीनियरिंग कॉन्टेस्ट हो, रोबोटिक ये वो, एंड आई यूज्ड टू अर्न बाय विनिंग दोज कॉन्टेस्ट. सो माई कॉलेज वाज हैप्पी. माई डीन who I'm still in touch with, I'm on board of a few colleges that she heads, वो खुश थी कि हमारा कॉलेज जीत रहा है. And I used to get those 10,000-15,000 a month and live on that. तो वो जैसे ही कॉलेज का फॉर्म आया, मेरा पॉकेट मनी खत्म. आई सेड आई पुट इट ऑन सेल दैट आई कैन नॉट अफोर्ड दिस 1500. वो बोलता है कि चल मैं उधार देता हूँ, तू ले ले. वो दिन था और मैंने वो MBA कॉलेज का, आई गॉट थ्रू मोस्ट ऑफ देम, बट वो MBA कॉलेज में मैंने पढ़ाई की वन ऑफ द बेस्ट मार्केटिंग इंस्टीट्यूट्स ऑफ द कंट्री, माइका, मुद्रा.
Of course.
Yes. And then, I mean, life had it. So I've always had these blessed moments in my life when I'm about to, like, a lot of times you also think, जो ये मिली मुझे, कि love ऐसे ही होता होगा. Like you go through, I'm sure you've gone through your own set of breakups and past. तो वही लगता है कि ऐसे ही होता होगा, यार ठीक है, I'm content, like I'm happy now with spirituality, happy with myself as an individual. लेकिन जब वो मिली मुझे, I realized that a love like this doesn't exist. And I'm blessed that I got someone like her, because she's taught me the real meaning of love and loving me. And that's what I said even when I was proposing to her. I really wanted to pen down the exact feelings that I have when I actually came across. ऐसा लगता ही नहीं है कि अभी आप काम पर हो, अभी आप घर आए, अभी आप इनसे मिल रहे हो, डेट पे जा रहे हो, spirituality, it's all one. It's like the feeling of home. And that's what I realized when I was with her.
इतना ब्यूटीफुल डेफिनेशन ऑफ लव
Yeah.
मैंने बहुत सालों बाद सुना है. इनफैक्ट हम लोग बहुत क्लीशेड लाइन सुनते हैं जो हम लोग
Yeah.
किताबों में पढ़ते हैं, वही लोग सुनाते हैं. दैट वाज सो ब्यूटीफुल. यू हैड योर शेयर ऑफ ब्रेकअप्स
Yes.
आल्सो. इनफैक्ट आपने इनफिडेलिटी देखी थी अपने
Yeah.
लास्ट रिलेशनशिप में, और उसकी वजह से इंसान डिफेंसिव हो जाता है एज ए
Right.
ह्यूमन बीइंग. उनके अंदर गार्ड्स आ जाते हैं, एंड राइटफुली सो एज वेल.
Yeah.
क्या आपके अंदर भी वो गार्ड्स थे और ये फीलिंग आ रही थी कि अच्छा ये बंदा अच्छा है, बट मैंने ये सब देखा है, सो आई शुड होल्ड माई सेल्फ बैक, ऐसा हुआ था?
I think सिर्फ सबके पास्ट होते हैं, मेरे भी हुए हैं, and my past did scar me. But you know, जब love, especially true love, is never scared of those scars. And he came into my life like a blessing. And of course, मैंने 3-3.5 साल अपने लाइफ के लिए to heal myself, to get that trust back in love, not for somebody else, but for my own self first. I took my own sweet time, and those 3.5 years have been the most beautiful phase of my life, where I channelized that energy into spirituality. मैंने अपने ऊपर काम किया. I started working out, जो मैं पहले बिल्कुल नहीं करती थी. And मतलब he entered into my life when I was least expecting, to be honest. मैंने surrender कर लिया था. I had this whole thing of writing my journal, and I pray to God, and जब मैं meditation में भी बैठती थी, I used to always think that there is something better for me in store. Just hang in there, but just surrender it to the universe. And that's exactly what I did. And जब मैंने surrender किया, and I was like, now I'm not going to chase anything, I'm not going to look out for it out in the world. That's when he entered into my life, not like a rebound, not like a rescue, but he actually came into my life like a reward out of nowhere, to be honest. And that's when I realized that कि love is a beautiful feeling. Yes, there came a point in my life where I was like, यार, all this is bullshit. You know what? मुझे अपने parents के साथ पूरी life जीनी है. At least they are the ones who will genuinely love me, you know. होता है ऐसे, वो feelings आई थी मेरे भी life में, जब नहीं, I was like, देखेंगे जब जो ऐसा passionate मुझे मिलेगा, जो मेरे जितना passionate है, that's when I'm going to get into love again. But then again, I think some people come into your life like a lesson, and some people come into your life to show true love. And he's been that in my life, and I think he's a true blessing, man. Like I say, universe did try really hard to get us together, and here we are in the most beautiful way.
But I'm really grateful to her ex that whatever happened. I'm genuinely, on a lighter note, I'm grateful to him that he didn't take it all the way. Some people come to teach you lessons, some come as a blessing, like she said. So I have what I have.
Too cute, यार.
The cutest.
But आपने उनको देखा being defensive at any point of time, because obviously बड़ा traumatic उनका relationship
Yeah.
था.
Yeah.
बहुत भावुक हो गई थी, बहुत emotional हो गई थी. I've seen her go through that.
Yeah.
क्या आपने देखा कि उनकी guards थे, वो थोड़ा 100% नहीं दे रही थी क्योंकि उनको डर था कि यार I've had a problem in the past?
You know, we've been together for about 9 months. मैंने कभी उनको ऐसे guards up करते हुए नहीं देखा. But the first time we met, that dinner, I think that was the most important meeting point for us. It wasn't like a date when आप कुचिकू में busy हो गए and आप भूल गए आप किस लिए आए हो. Both of us, I think, took away one thing, that we are available emotionally.
Yeah.
Because वो चीज़ अगर नहीं होती है ना, आपके scars अगर heal नहीं हुए होते, like she said, she's been into spirituality, she's come out of that. वो एक ही चीज़ है जो आपको निकाल सकती है. If you do not surrender, you're going to keep trying to heal from the past, and now you'll keep hating the person, you'll keep going back and kind of abusing, thinking ill. I don't think we've ever discussed that in the 9 months we've been together, and that is what tells me that she's healed. अगर हम बैठ के bitching कर रहे होते या अभी भी, I'm grateful to that person. I genuinely mean it when I say it. Because अगर वो चीज़ नहीं होती, हम शायद इधर नहीं आ पाते. And that's what we spoke on the first date. That are we both emotionally available for this? We were thinking long term. Both of us were thinking long term. हम
पहले डिनर में
फर्स्ट डिनर पे इमेजिन, लाइक हमने बेसिक्स जो भी बातें करनी थी कर ली, कॉम्प्लीमेंट्स देने थे दोनों को, एक दूसरे को वो दे दिए, वी हैड गुड फूड, ऑल ऑफ दैट हैपेंड, एंड देन वी डायरेक्टली डाइव्ड इनटू what is it that you're looking for, because I don't think she had time to waste, I don't think I had time to waste, and we've like we from that day stayed on a plane where there is no bondages, there's no
Yeah.
resistances, there's no such awkward moments where you're trying to feel ki I'm in the past.
And like, I'd really like to add on to this that Rohan never made me feel that, you know, oh, she's too broken from the past, or she's coming from her own traumas, or she's too much for me. इसने मुझे हमेशा एक्सेप्ट किया द वे आई वॉज यू नो एंड ही बिफोर स्टार्टिंग विद अ रिलेशनशिप और एनीथिंग ही वॉज लाइक अ ट्रू फ्रेंड टू मी सेड लाइक आई वुड टॉक टू हिम ओपनली अबाउट एवरीथिंग एंड ट्रांसपेरेंटली टेल हिम दैट दिस इज वॉट आई हैव कम फ्रॉम दिस इज वॉट बट I've been broken, everything I've been through, but I've healed from my past. The past belongs there. I don't look back at it unless I have to see it from the way that this is how long I've come from. But then he's accepted me the way I am with everything. So not even once has he made me feel, oh, like you're too much for me or you're too broken for me. Not even once he's made me feel in a certain way like that. So it's magical.
It is magical.
Yeah.
तो उस डिनर मीटिंग में इन्होंने ओपनली बोल दिया कि मेरे साथ पास्ट में ये हुआ
Yeah.
एंड आपने भी वही किया मेरे साथ
Yes.
ये हुआ
Yes.
माने लिटरली आपने अपने पास्ट रिलेशनशिप्स के
Everything.
कार्ड सामने रख दिए
Everything.
इन द प्रॉपर फर्स्ट ऑफिशियल मीटिंग
It is what it
official
is.
meeting. Because अगर वो नहीं होता ना, then so if I'm trying to be honest to her, I need to, and I'm thinking of, because मेरे को ये पसंद आ गई थी. मतलब एक होता है vibe कि आप मिल रहे हो किसी से and you genuinely share that vibe. Because it takes me a lot to go out on a date. Like it takes me weeks of chasing. Like for someone else to chase me for weeks because I'm like the one who will just keep delaying. वो शायद मिलता भी नहीं हूँ वैसा हो जाता है. And I'm not boasting about it. It's a problem that I have. I'm inward. I'm a little more kind of, I love my own company kind of a person. तो इनके साथ वैसा था कि because I took the initiative myself, I was wanting to know her more. And वो उस दिन अगर हम दोनों खुले नहीं होते ना, फिर वही रहता कि हम बस बैठे हैं एक दूसरे के लेयर्स के ऊपर. वो लेयर्स होती है ना, we don't have layers.
तो माने लिटरली इतने शॉर्ट स्पैन में आप लोग को एक दूसरे के बारे में इतनी सारी चीजें मालूम है.
So a lot of people say that वो हमें देखते हैं तो फर्स्ट एक मंथ we crossed 1 month. So जब लोग मिलते थे तो हमसे पूछते थे कितने साल हो गए आप लोगों के साथ में, and we are like 1 महीना. जब थर्ड मंथ में both of us were planning to settle in and that's when we met a lot of people for the first time.
Yeah.
वो पूछ रहे हैं कि 3 साल हो गए अब तो ठीक है मतलब good. And she didn't know when I was planning the proposal. Like I wanted, you know Palak. So Palak is out and out like a full Bollywood vibe. She likes her dreams larger than life. She wouldn't do on anything shorter, smaller than that proposal that we did in Cappadocia. So we flew out to Turkey back in the day. I surprised her with the proposal. And I just took her like that कि हम holiday पे जा रहे हैं.
Beautiful.
Because before that we had gone to Bali for a New Year's. And उसके बाद हमने कहा कि वो तो ग्रुप के साथ था, अभी चल हम साथ में जाते हैं अकेले. And then we flew out. We went to a place where it's full of snow, Love Valley. तो वहाँ पर
Yeah.
बड़ा सा setup करा है मैंने लोगों से.
Wait. He tells me to, baby, yeah, you have to add
Sorry,
drama
sorry.
to this. What is wrong with you? Before leaving for Turkey, he's telling me that, baby, you have to carry this white dress, okay? Specifically white dress. तो मैंने बोला white but क्यों? तो he's like वहाँ पे he's nicely telling me also वो birds वाला जो photo shoot होता है ना, that we'll do. I'm also carrying like a white suit and everything. So carry a white dress. We're doing a photo shoot. I was like, Turkey बोल रहा है, Cappadocia जा रहे हैं. तो I was hinting obviously something. So then I was like, चलो ठीक है, we'll also go with the flow. We'll see what it is. So now I packed my stuff nicely. मैं भी full ready, nails वेल्स करा लिए हैं, full on. I'm putting my best dress in. Then Cappadocia when we reached ना, फर्स्ट डे कुछ भी नहीं हुआ, सेकेंड डे कुछ नहीं हुआ, नेक्स्ट डे हम निकलने वाले हैं. मैंने बोला ये कुछ प्रपोजल नहीं कर रहा है, ये ऐसे फोटोशूट ही होगा, वो भी इस्तांबुल में ही जाके होने वाला है मुझे लग रहा है. आई एम ऑल्सो लाइक ओके फाइन व्हाटएवर. देन नेक्स्ट 5 o'clock in the morning we wake up. He's like, you gotta get ready. We're going for the shoot. I've done the location and everything. मैंने बोला ठीक है, let's see now what it is actually a proposal or what is it. Now we leave. Now we're in the car and we're going. उस दिन balloons fly होने वाले थे. It didn't fly. Nothing was in our favor to be honest. It was snowing. Everything. Snow was like beautiful and all. Balloons didn't fly. The red car I think he had booked for me that didn't come because इतनी snow थी कि वो गाड़ी ऊपर तक जा ही नहीं सकती थी. So everything was like getting canned and I was like यार क्या ही होगा, क्या कर रहा है मुझे पता नहीं है, जो भी हो भगवान जी अच्छा हो बस. Now we're going up and everything. Now he shut my eyes. We get out of the car. I don't get to see anything. Then I see this amazing massive production our man is taken care of. There's drone, there's photographer, somebody who's not from my profession but still is doing that, and I see like a larger than life setup. there's a cameraman, there's a wine, there's champagne, everything, and I was like, oh my god, this is something that I had always dreamed of, and this is something that I always wanted, but yeah, like he made my dream come true. It was the most beautiful proposal ever. So I really feel I'm the luckiest girl out here that he's getting all my dreams come true, to be honest.
Likewise, Siddharth. So
Yeah.
actually, that was the first time I actually cried. Just we were discussing before we started, that it's such a taboo for men to cry, right? We can't express, especially people from our generation. We don't express. We don't. A lot of us don't even hug our parents and say "I love you." It's all a taboo, right? It's all structured in a certain way. That was the first time when I was actually reading out the letter that I wrote for her, and I realized that in loving me, she's healed me in so many ways. She's taught me the true meaning of love. And I don't think I'd ever understood what true love is. Like, it's so much about selfless giving that you don't expect anything in return. Love, a lot of people had told us that love is about you will always get hurt. It's about who you let into your life to hurt you. I don't think that's true love. True love is someone who never hurts you, who unabashedly protects you like a fierce lioness and lion. And it's beautiful. It's like a cocoon. It's like a bubble. And mere liye to my love was Jununi. Like, she stays in Malad, I stay in the south. And for me to just spend that 1 hour when I'm driving her back every other day when we go out for a date, and she's like, why are you coming? I'll take a cab. I said, no. For me, that 45 minutes, 1 hour when I'm spending with you at night, because I'm going to go back home after that. And then, I don't know, I'm meeting you after 2 days, 3 days. So for me, that 1 hour is magical. It's enough for me.
Till date, this boy has not let me go back home alone. He's always dropped me. He's never sent me back home alone. He's always opened that door for me. He's a true example of being a gentleman.
तुम दरवाजा खोलते हो?
आज तक मैंने दरवाजा नहीं खोला है गाड़ी का, सिड. आज तक नहीं.
She complains she's forgotten driving also.
I've forgotten driving. I've just been a passenger.
भाई तू ऐसे बेंचमार्क लग रहा है, मेरी बीवी देखेगी तो बोले तू क्या कर रहा है
ये
भाई?
सारी मेरी friends, all my girlfriends, सबका benchmark.
ये क्या
रोहन
जिसने
जीत
कभी
जैसा लड़का
डेंजरस
चाहिए.
कॉन्वर्सेशन दोस्त, ये हमारी बैड बन जाएगी सबकी पर्सनल लाइफ की ये सब सुनकर. बट तुम्हारे भी पास्ट रिलेशनशिप्स थे, तुम्हारे जो रिलेशनशिप्स थे, व्हाट वेंट रॉन्ग जो तुमने कहा कि ये मैं अपनी इस रिलेशनशिप में नहीं होने दूंगा?
So I won't blame the people that I've been, because the easiest thing to do. You just say, infidelity hui. I have faced that in the past. I have faced the relationship going cold, not working out because you're incompatible, all of those things. I've faced that in the past. What I realized was a lot of times it's not you or that person. Until you find the person you want to spend the rest of your life with and hold on to this thick, this tight, I don't think you're giving in enough. काफ़ी बार ऐसा होता है कि सामने वाला, if the person cheats on you, I think you're equally to be blamed because you went cold on that person. It's not like वो ताली एक साइड से बजती. You were never in it. Let's be honest to yourself. If you were in it, you would have been equally passionately involved कि उसको ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ती कहीं और जाने की. But because you have allowed that to happen, you've gone cold yourself, you take the blame. क्या प्रॉब्लम है? एंड बिकॉज यू डिडंट वांट दैट बैड इनफ. अगर आप चाहते तो यू वुड हैव बीन सिटिंग हियर विद दैट पर्सन. यू आर नॉट. सो क्लियरली बी ट्रू टू योरसेल्फ. जो भी गलतियां हुई, फॉर मी दैट्स व्हाई आई कीप सेइंग दिस वर्ड एंड इट्स रेपिटेटिव टू अ लार्ज एक्सटेंट, दैट ट्रू लव, ट्रू लव, ट्रू लव. इट इज बिकॉज if we fight, we've taken that thing that मेरे से 1 घंटे से ज़्यादा रहा नहीं जाता. In the past, we've had our set of fights where she's gone cold for a week. She's not talking to the other person. I've got cold like for weeks. And we are okay with that, right? We've decided, not forget deciding, कि we'll not sleep over a fight. You can't sleep over a fight. You have to bend. I have, like, I'm a Leo, she's a Leo. Both of us have huge egos.
Fire.
We fire together. Like, हम लड़ते नहीं हैं, महीने में एक बार लड़ते, but वो एक बार is like 1 महीने का.
It's enough.
But for me, it doesn't take me 2 minutes to say sorry, even if I'm not sorry.
Yeah.
Because my ego is aside. Both of us, आपके पेरेंट्स से लड़ाई होगी, आपके बच्चों से लड़ाई होगी, आपके बेस्ट फ्रेंड से लड़ाई होगी, आपकी फैमिली से लड़ाई होगी.
Yeah.
Do you ever go back to your family and say to your mom and say, Mom, I'm breaking up with you, I can't be with you? You don't.
कभी
Well,
नहीं.
you never disown them. That's what our rule has been.
So when you call each other family, how can you just pick up the phone like a lot of
Yeah.
people do, that I've had enough of you? Then that was never true love.
That's what we decided on. Like we said कि जब अगर mom dad से आपकी झगड़ा होता है या मेरे भाई से भी मेरा झगड़ा, मैं कभी ये नहीं बोलती हूँ, you know what, I'm done with you, I don't want you in my life anymore. Why do we treat relationships like that, like so fragile? कि थोड़ा झगड़ा हुआ, हाँ ठीक है, break up कर लिया, you go your way. But why? Why do you have to break up? Why aren't you seeing your relationship like how you treat your family members? They're permanent in your life, right? You can't disown them ever. So that's what we learned from that. This is how we need to treat this relationship. We'll make it work no matter what.
But with respect and loyalty, like those
Yeah,
two
yeah.
are top
They're
tier.
the
They are
top
hygiene. You cannot have a relationship without respect, loyalty, transparency. Love तो अपने आप, love is a factor of all of these things put together. Like you're young,
Yeah.
you're good looking, अपने आप मतलब
Yeah.
you are passionate,
Good looking
you're
तो is
involved.
bonus. It's bonus. वो तो मेरा priority था ही नहीं. मुझे चाहिए loyalty, respect, and then comes love for me. But yeah, like that's
तो I'm going to ask both of you, in your previous relationship,
yes.
आपने loyalty नहीं देखी है कभी कभार?
Yes.
Yeah, both of us are on the same page there.
Disrespect?
Yes.
Yes.
तो इसलिए वो प्रायोरिटी में
Priority.
था.
था और
Yes.
हम दोनों के इसमें अलाइन हुआ सर ये चीज़, क्योंकि जब मैं उन्हें कुछ चीज़ें अपनी लाइफ की बता रही थी या पास्ट के बारे में कुछ शेयर कर रही थी, he could relate to me and I could see that someone in front of me who's saying I see you, and that's a very important factor for me. Like whenever I would talk to him, he wouldn't be like, "Kya? Why are we just talking about it?" Or he would not relate to me in that conversation. He was out there all years to me. Like, I see you, I hear you, and I know what you've been through. Because he could relate to it from his past. Maybe probably because of that, we came across like so strong with each other ki I understand what you've been through, but now I really feel that universe has its own way of getting us together, and for a reason. I think we were meant to be.
Yeah.
For
Sometimes
sure.
you heal through love.
Yeah.
मुझे मालूम था कि आप डिप्रेशन में थी आफ्टर
Yeah.
योर लास्ट रिलेशनशिप. ये फेज में जब आप मिली इनसे, यू ओवर ऑल दैट?
Yeah, absolutely. Absolutely. I think I healed myself like I said before. वो 3 साल जो मैंने लिए, वो मैंने अपने लिए लिए to heal myself. I got into spirituality. I got into, I traveled. I did everything possible that was best for me. And that's when I made peace with the fact that अब मुझे अपने लिए time चाहिए, that I want to, have this, my self-love back was my priority. कि पहले मुझे अपने से प्यार करना पड़ेगा, तब जाके वो इंसान मेरी लाइफ में आएगा who will be ready to love me. And like I said, that was a point of my life that I was done looking for it. And that's when he entered out of nowhere. So yeah.
उस लास्ट रिलेशनशिप के बारे में जो हम और आपने बात की थी, उसके बाद आपने और लोगों को डेट किया कि नहीं?
नहीं, कभी नहीं.
तुम्हारे 3-3.5 साल आप कोई रिलेशनशिप में नहीं थी.
कोई रिलेशनशिप में नहीं थी मैं, बिकॉज मेरा वो दैट ट्रस्ट इन लव वाज जस्ट कम्प्लीटली गॉन ऑब्वियसली, एंड आई वाज लाइक कि अब मुझे ये सब पछड़ों में नहीं पड़ना, मेरा हो गया अब. आई वांट टू इन्वेस्ट माय टाइम विथ माय फैमिली एंड द पीपल दैट आई एम वेरी क्लोज टू माय गर्ल्स, यू ऑल्सो नो इट. So mera, I think my whole time I would invest was into my family and my loved ones, and thankfully I have my family who was like a strong support for me. So they've never pressurized me. They're like, you take your time, do whatever makes you happy. तो वो मेरे टाइम बहुत important था मेरे लिए, rather than just finding and chasing love out there. And मुझे ऐसा लगता है you will not get love till the time you keep chasing and you desperately when you want it, तब आपको नहीं मिलता है. The moment you start surrendering, the moment you say to the universe that here you go, I leave it up to you, bring me the best man as per your right time, I am ready for it. And that's exactly what I did, and that's exactly how it came in my life.
For you also, ये जो आपका लास्ट रिलेशनशिप था कितने साल पहले था?
So the serious one that I had last was again a very similar time frame. In fact, both of us have had a very, very similar past.
Yeah.
Like 4-5 साल पहले, I didn't get into anything serious. Obviously, I was exploring, trying to find if I could find something. But for the longest time, I remember it takes you, just like she said, it takes you a while to get out of that darkness. Like if you've gone through something, you want to first feel happy with your own self.
Yeah.
आप पहले heal कर लो ठीक से. Otherwise, what you're going to do is you're going to just traumatize the other person you're
Yeah.
with. अगर आप healed नहीं हो ना, तो it will show on the relationship, it will show
Yeah.
with the other person. आप जिसके साथ भी हो, it will start showing up. And आपने depression की बात करी. I was never in depression, but I understood the meaning of anxiety.
Yeah.
Like
Same.
suddenly you start thinking, why me? तभी मैं astrology में घुसा. I wanted to find out the answer to, and with due respect to a lot of astrologers, I didn't come across someone who was so bang on who could tell you things. तो मैं खुद ही घुस गया उसमें, क्योंकि आपकी गाड़ी खराब होगी तो आप ही ठीक करोगे ना. तो मेरी गाड़ी खराब हुई तो मैं ही ठीक करने घुस गया कि भाई क्या है, मतलब व्हाट इज द आंसर्स एक्सेट्रा एक्सेट्रा. एंड देन आई स्टॉप्ड बीच में. एंड अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल हु बी सीइंग दिस ट्राइंग टू फाइंड देयर ओन आंसर्स. क्या होता है कि अगर आप नेगेटिव माइंडसेट में हो एंड दैट्स व्हेन यू आर ट्राइंग टू फिगर आउट द आंसर्स एंड यू सी समथिंग हैपनिंग ऑन योर चार्ट्स, आप उसी स्पाइरल में घुसते चले जाते हो और ज़्यादा. एंड व्हाट यू डूइंग इज यू मैनिफेस्टिंग कि आप कुछ मैनिफेस्ट करो. आज से वी आर मैनिफेस्टिंग अ लाइफ फॉर द फ्यूचर. द मोमेंट आई गेट समथिंग नेगेटिव देयर ना, मैं वो कर ही दूंगा. एंड द मोर आई थिंक ऑफ नेगेटिव, द मोर आई मैनिफेस्ट दैट. Like this red color, it's a beautiful, I'm sure you've heard this story in the past, that you see this red color in the room. आपने जैसे ही बोला आपको red color दिख रहा है, now you'll only keep noticing
Yeah,
this
red color. Huh?
Yeah.
तो वो सेम हमारे साथ भी हुआ. And you spoke about depression. When I met her, said I did not know about. Firstly, I did not know so much about her past except for whatever I saw a little on the Big Boss show. Other than that, depression was a term that I could never associate with a girl like this.
Yeah.
She is the life of the party. She is the life of my life. She is the light of my life. मतलब वो जितना मजा कराती हैं, जितने chirpy, जितना मतलब if I'm around her, I can never get bored. She is.
I love you.
I love you too. She's a child and a mother. She's everything in between. Obviously, your strongest, your closest friend and a girlfriend, but she's all of that. Like she'll take care of you if you're going through something, and she will make you laugh like your stomach's hurt. Like the first few meetings, that's when we realize when you start traveling, आपको समझ में आता है कि are you compatible or not. हम इतना हंसते थे कि एक टाइम था कि जब हम लोनावला से वी वर कमिंग बैक एंड मुझे गाड़ी रोकनी पड़ी बिकॉज आई हैड क्रैम्प्स. मेरी ये पूरी सारी चीज़ें एकदम क्रिंज कर चुकी थी एंड शी हैड टू गेट आउट ऑफ द कार. वो गाड़ी रोक के वहां पर शी वाज ड्रिंकिंग वाटर, शी वाज थ्रोइंग दैट वाटर आउटसाइड, laughing.
Life
We have
is
those
fun.
videos.
Life is fun with him. That's
Yeah,
so true.
it's so
I
much
think
fun.
all this while ना सर मैंने सिर्फ like he rightly said, मैंने सिर्फ मदर किया है लोगों को. चाहे वो मेरे दोस्त हो, मेरा बड़ा भाई है बट मैं उसको छोटे जैसा ही ट्रीट करती हूँ. तो met him, my parents and you know taking care of my
Even your ex used to mother.
whatever. Yeah, but like I used to mother everyone around me a lot. And वो चीज़ जो attention, love, care, वो मुझे इतना reciprocate नहीं कभी भी नहीं मिला है honestly. Apart from my family of course, but outside world I've never got that. तो मैं हमेशा ना I had that strong aura, be out there. I used to be the planner. मेरे हिसाब से चीज़ें होती थी and I would take care of everything around me and everybody around me. God had a better plan for me where he's like, here you go, he's your man. Now is the time you take a back seat, my love. And this was the time in my life, the first time in my life जब मैंने comfortably back seat ली and there was someone to lead my life. In a positive way, not like in a controlling way कि, you know, this is right for you or this is wrong for me. But इस relationship में this is my safe space. I feel कि I can just be, you know, like I don't have to plan anything, I don't have to do anything. There is a person out there who I actually become like a baby in front of him. Other than that, to the world, I'm this strong-headed girl who's out there and everything. But when I'm with him now, I'm this soft.
She's a pretty
this
little
soft,
baby.
I'm a pretty little baby, like I say it. And I think for any girl now, wo feeling in a relationship is the most important feeling. And that's exactly what I feel with him.
इनफैक्ट आपने भी वर्ड यूज किया कि आई फील प्रोटेक्टेड बाय हर, आपने इस्तेमाल
Yeah.
किया था. जनरली हमारे जनरेशन वाले लड़कों को हम लोग कहते हैं कि हम लोग को प्रोटेक्ट करना है,
Yeah.
हमको नाइट इन शाइनिंग आर्मर बनना है,
Yeah.
हम लोग को ये करना है. बट
Yeah.
यू आर यूजिंग दैट वर्ड वेरी ऑफन
Yeah.
हमारे कॉन्वर्जेशन की कि
Yeah.
मुझे लगता है
Yeah.
कि पलक मुझे प्रोटेक्ट करते हैं.
So I'll give you a few instances.
जी.
हम बाली में थे and we went to get water from the bar and उस लड़के ने जिस तरह से behave किया, I don't know what was up with him. Normally people there are very very sweet and humble. He just, and हमारे पास change नहीं था. Obviously you know वहाँ पर 1 लाख और 2 लाख उनके करेंसी चलती है, तो हमारे पास change नहीं था. हमने उसे change दिया, बोलता है go there take. तो मैंने बोला कि आप ले लो, अभी तो हमने जब ड्रिंक के पैसे दिए तो आपने दिया था, तो आप वो कर दो. एंड आई एम मोस्टली वेरी लाइक आई हैव माई एंगर, बट वो कभी साल में एक बार निकलता है और वो निकलता है तो फिर वो रुकता नहीं है. बट अदरवाइज I'm extremely grounded. My head is in the sky, but my feet are on the ground. And I know what life's giving me. I'm humble. I'm ready to embrace whatever comes my way. So that's when she comes in with a fiery avatar of hers. तब दुर्गा और चंडी जब दिखती है ना, इसने वो बंदे से पूछा कि आप क्यों नहीं दे सकते, और फिर वो लड़के ने वो पैदा क्यों हुआ, वो अपने पेरेंट्स तक चला गया कि आप लोग को उस रात मुझे पैदा क्यों करना था. इसने जो उस लड़के की ली है, एंड खाली उस टाइम पे नहीं, मतलब कोई अगर ऐसा कुछ डायलॉग भी बोल देना चलते फिरते ऐसे कुछ कैजुअल सा मेरे पीछे किसी चीज के लिए, तो ये ऐसे अटैक करती है उसको. आई एम लाइक बेबी लेट इट बी. फिर मैं उसको ऐसे पकड़ रहा होता कि उसे छोड़ दे, वो उसकी गलती है, मैं उसकी तरफ से माफी मांग रहा हूँ.
He's too nice and naive, yeah, Sid. And I'm like this. I come with this armor. Okay, मेरी तलवारें बाहर निकल जाती है. When there's someone who tries to even touch him or tries to even harm him, I can't take it.
You know, मेरे
I'm
साथ
very
भी I am telling
protective.
you. So मेरा वही स्कूल था ना. So when I got married to my wife,
Yeah.
मुझे लगा हर चीज में मुझे ये problem solver ही हो. Then I started realizing my wife Neha is a better problem solver than me. और साला यहाँ पे, हाँ, really. फिर मैंने सोचा साला ये मैं अपने औरा ये सब चीजें जो मैंने सोची है वो सब छोड़ो.
काम
And
नहीं
now whenever there's a situation मैंने कहा solve कर दे बाबा, please यार solve कर दे. And now I do it. And it's done so beautifully.
Absolutely.
I'm telling you, so वो protective वाला जब तुम कह रहे थे, मेरी wife का photo आ रहा है because I feel protected by her, and it's the truth.
Yeah.
You know,
So beautiful.
Yeah.
it is. And why not
Why not?
let women protect us too? Yeah.
So with her, so all of us have a masculine and a feminine energy. So men have that feminine side and they don't want to explore. They don't even want to take it out, bring it out to the world, because you tend to get judged to a very, very extreme level. मेरे लिए, when I actually broke down when I was proposing to her, it surprised me as well, because I've seen a lot of loss in my family. All of us have. And even then, like it would take me a bit to actually break down, show my tears, because I don't think it's masculine enough to cry. It's not masculine that you end up shedding tears and cry. Similarly for her, she had got such high masculine energy because of the protection and protecting herself, the walls around her, doing things for her family, for everyone, for friends, etc. So जब हम साथ में मिले, I figured that both of those sides, like the masculine side of her took a backseat. She became a baby, which I enjoyed, which I loved being around. I had my feminine side that I could show my emotions, that I was surprised myself. Like a lot of things I do now, I haven't ever in the past.
सेंटी हो रही है ये बहुत यार.
He's so used to this.
Every other day when we go out for dates.
This is happiness, darling.
I know, and I'm so overwhelmed and grateful to God to bring this man into my life. I'm so grateful. Like, this is all I had asked for from the universe, and he's came into my life like a blessing. Seriously.
उसने तो 200 फॉलोअर वाला आदमी भी मैनिफेस्ट किया
I
था. I
swear,
literally had
I
200
said,
followers on
I
a log
don't want a
profile.
public
Exactly.
figure. I said, I don't want a public figure.
Sid is also getting emotional. Oh my God, you guys.
Yeah.
You know, when I spoke to you last,
Yeah.
and you walked out of my house, आप
Yeah.
बहुत emotional हो गई थी. मुझे भी I wished
Yeah, you always
you-
wish the
you
best
get the
for
happiness that you
Yeah.
wanted.
Yeah.
Then आपको मिल गया. पगली जब भी देखो मुझे रुला के जाती है यार, इसका प्रॉब्लम है.
हमेशा रोए साथ में.
हाँ.
I'm so
Thankfully ये
sorry.
खुशी के आंसू हैं.
हाँ, ये खुशी के आंसू हैं. I'm so sorry, guys.
But कभी कभार आप वेट करती थी कि ये feminine baby side of पलक कब निकलेगा?
हाँ, बिल्कुल, because
And
ये
did you
side.
not like the tough पलक जो आप
Yeah.
बन गई थी?
Yeah.
Because sometimes toughness also drains you out.
Yeah.
मेरे साथ हुआ है.
Of course.
I would be the softest guy in the room,
Yeah.
but I would enter
Yeah.
trying to be a stud. And when I would get out of that party, I would be so tired.
Yeah.
I would be very tired.
Yeah.
Saying, yaar, I don't want to be the stud.
Yeah.
I don't want to be the guy who says, Siddharth bhai era aa gaya usse.
Correct.
And मुझे बहुत drain करता था.
Yeah.
And I used to feel miserable in the car.
Yeah.
Going back home after a
Yeah.
party like
Yeah.
that. आप भी वो feel करती थी?
So, like Rohan said, ki I am always the light of the party. I always lead the pack, and that's a fact with my friends, with my family, and they can always rely on me. They can always fall back on me. और वो बाय टाइम ना एक लाइबिलिटी बन गई मेरे लिए, एक वो सेंस ऑफ डिपेंडेंसी ऑफ पीपल ऑन मी। कहीं ना कहीं मैं आई एम दैट पर्सन दैट यू कैन ऑलवेज फॉल बैक एट मी, आई एम दैट 3 AM फ्रेंड एंड फॉर माई फैमिली ऑल्सो, यू नो आई शिफ्टेड द बेस फ्रॉम नागपुर टू बॉम्बे। मैंने अपनी फैमिली को यहाँ बॉम्बे शिफ्ट किया, तो मेरे there were days when I felt hunched over my shoulders, that there was so much of responsibilities on me. तो definitely I was, and मैं ये अपना फ्रेजाइल साइड अपनी फैमिली को कभी नहीं दिखाती थी घर पे। आज भी मतलब कभी भी ऐसा होता है, तो बहुत छोटा एग्जाम्पल है, जब बाहर भी कुछ मुझे इश्यूज होते हैं, लाइक एनी लाइफ प्रॉब्लम्स, आई डोंट शेयर इट विद माई फैमिली, दे वेरी नाइस पीपल एंड यू नो आई यूज टू कीप इट विद इन माई सेल्फ। एंड मेरे फ्रेंड्स अपनी लाइफ प्रॉब्लम्स लेके मेरे पास आते थे, तो मैं सोचती थी मैं किसके पास जाऊँ। दैट्स व्हेन आई चोज स्पिरिचुअलिटी कि आई हैव अ लॉट टू गिव आउट देयर, बट I need to refill myself also, right? So that's when spirituality helped me a lot. But again, like you rightly said, that after a point, you know, you get so drained and exhausted because you're just giving and giving. And there is nobody out there who can be a good listener to you. There's no one out there that you can go back home to, you know. That's when that I had that craving in life that I also want to fall back on somebody in life, and that can only be my partner. So yeah, like there was a time in my life that I was exhausted, I was drained, and I gave up completely, but I had nobody to fall back on. But yeah, I had that belief in God that He is.
क्या आपको लगा, क्योंकि आपने एक एक्टर को डेट किया और उनके पास बहुत इनसिक्योरिटीज होती है एक्टर्स की, राइट? आज प्रोजेक्ट मिला, यू गेट आउट ऑफ अ बिग बॉस हाउस, एवरीवनस पैपिंग यू, एवरीवनस टॉकिंग अबाउट, पता चला 6 महीने बाद कुछ नहीं हो रहा है। और वो पर्टिकुलर एक्टर को भी इनसिक्योरिटी होती होगी प्रोफेशनली, जो ट्रिकल ऑन करता है पर्सनली, क्योंकि आपको खुद नहीं मालूम कि नेक्स्ट डे आप क्या कर रहे हो।
Absolutely.
एंड नॉट ओनली दैट पर्टिकुलर एक्स दैट आई एम टॉकिंग, बट इन जनरल एक्टर्स के साथ बहुत होता है, उनकी पर्सनल लाइफ में ट्रिकल होता है। आई हैड अ वेरी बिग एक्टर्स वाइफ टेलिंग मी विदाउट टेकिंग नेम्स, अच्छा बंदा है बट हिट हो जाता है, फिर तब भी नेक्स्ट फिल्म जब फ्लॉप हो जाती है, ही बिकम्स अ डिफरेंट मैन, क्योंकि हिट के साथ वो हाई फील करता है, फ्लॉप के साथ वो लो फील करता है। तो आई हैव टू डील विद टू डिफरेंट मेन।
True.
और सडनली एक कॉर्पोरेट बंदा है जिसको मालूम है मैं ऑफिस जाऊंगा,
Correct.
ऑब्वियसली ही हैज हिज ओन सेट ऑफ मिशंस, टारगेट्स,
yeah.
व्हाटएवर, बट उसको मालूम है कि यार 2 दिन बाद मैं इनसिक्योर नहीं रहूंगा कि मेरे पास सैलरी आ रही है कि नहीं। Does that help?
So I'll tell you one thing, हमारा फील्ड बहुत टेंटेटिव है, आज काम है कल नहीं है, like you rightly said, and I have been someone who's been very productive and hardworking in my life. आज अगर शो नहीं है, मैं I take it as a luxury, taking this 5 months break for myself. I do best of best brands. I travel the world. That is also a growth for me. And you know, I do my own shoots. I tie up with different brands and all. So I am always, I have some or the other thing to keep myself busy because I like to be productive. Now, being with an actor, of course, it's a lot of downer, I feel, because वहाँ पे security नहीं है. Security in terms of not just financially, I feel, but mood swings बहुत होते हैं, of course. And then coming to Rohan, I feel he's himself such a secured man that like there's again so much to learn. There's always lot of growth because you're learning a lot. जब हम रात को दोनों बात करते हैं, मैं अपने काम से आती हूँ, ये अपने काम से आता है, there's so much more to add on the table. Like मैं इस इंसान से इतनी सीखी हूँ, I'm not kidding, that there's so much more to learn than just what is happening in the industry and industry talks, you know. And more than that, I know कि Rohan has himself told me this, that babe, tomorrow in life, like now also, but tomorrow in life if we get married, you have all the luxury to pick and choose your work, whatever you want to. आप उस thought process से काम कभी मत उठाना कि oh my God, I want to be financially secured. By God's grace, I come from a family that I'm very strong backing I have, and by God's grace, I've worked so much that okay, like I'm very stable that way. But कल को अगर मुझे काम करना है, तो मैं I have that choice of picking work as to what I want to do. Is that role suiting me? Or you know, brands तो चल ही रहे हैं, but that security this man has given me, that you want to 6 months, you do leisure, you do your own luxury trips with me, we'll travel the world. But 6 months, if you don't want to work, I've got your backing. Not that I am that woman and I come from a thought process that I don't want to work because my man is stable enough. But वो एक थॉट ही आपको इतनी सिक्योरिटी और कॉन्फिडेंस देता है कि यू नो व्हाट बेब, I just want to travel. I just want to be. मेरे brands चल रहे हैं ना. I just want to take a back seat and let's just travel. वो उसका बोलना ही मेरे लिए इतना बड़ा confidence है. चाहे मैं करूँ ना करूँ वो मेरे ऊपर है. And he's never forced me कि oh don't work in the industry or whatever. He's been the most supportive boyfriend. Fiance ना. Finance.
But
हमारा एक जोक है. Fiance का auto correct हमारा finance कभी हम लिख लेते हैं. तो we call each other finance then fiance.
फिर मैं बता एक लखनऊ में एक किस्सा होता है. एक लेडी ने मुझे बोला कि यार मेरा फाइनेंसी आ रहा है. तो मैंने कहा अच्छा कौन से बैंक में काम करता है. तो बोलती नहीं. मैंने कहा कौन सा वेल्थ मैनेजमेंट में. नहीं बोला वेल्थ मैनेजमेंट लेना देना नहीं है. तो देन आई रियलाइज इट्स नॉट बोला फाइनेंशियर है. मैंने कहा यार मे बी इट्स अ न्यू टर्मिनोलॉजी फॉर अ वेल्थ कंसल्टेंट एंड व्हाटएवर. ठीक है.
We have that joke.
So,
But
yeah.
she's extremely she's ferociously ambitious. Like what I've seen of her, ये बैठ नहीं सकती खुद से. So when she's not acting, she's after her brands. When she's not after her brand, she's thinking something new. कि मैं क्या events करूँ, events नहीं तो कुछ और. And I firmly believe, like I'm a firm believer, said कि आपका एक revenue source नहीं हो सकता. Even for me, for someone who's salaried, you cannot just have one revenue source. You need to have 4 to 5.
Yeah.
छोटे बड़े हो सकते हैं सारे, but they need to add up to something which is 3-4x of what you're making every month. Similarly for her,
Yeah.
I mean, this is too premature in time to come out with that.
Yeah.
But I am pushing her to do her own
Yeah,
cosmetics
own
brand,
brand, yeah.
like ma'am also has.
Yeah.
Kawai Cosmetics. Yeah.
Look at the packaging, guys.
What a
It's
plug,
so
huh?
pretty. Yeah. I want to test it also.
Of course, टेस्ट करो ना
Yeah,
यार.
meanwhile, you were saying something, baby.
So we are kind of planning something for her because life has been kind to her. उनको अपने projects मिलते रहेंगे, उनको अपने brands मिलते रहेंगे. But there needs to be something that she is driving as an entrepreneur for her own.
This is
really,
yum.
This is really nice.
This is yum.
This is for kids. I actually didn't put any perfume today, so it's really nice that
It's water
Why
based,
is
no
it?
alcohol, vitamin
Wow.
E.
Oh, wow.
And we're on the digital platforms like Amazon. Amazon ने fly कर रहा है भाई.
I'm sure it
What are
will.
you saying?
I'm sure.
Yeah.
मैंने
it's-
कभी पहले सुना नहीं है इसके कि something
kids
like this.
perfume तो I've never heard.
अभी more is coming up. You know, lip gloss.
Oh wow.
Hair gel for boy. ये सब और
are you
सब
saying?
नेहा का है हाँ. Because मेरी दो छोटी लड़कियां हैं ना.
Yeah.
Adira Sesha, they used to take her perfume. Tak. They used to do. So 5 years she researched. She got it done.
That's
And,
amazing.
I'm going to
That's
gift you that
amazing.
bottle and I'm going to give you
Please.
another bottle also. Huh,
Yes.
I'm going to take one.
Ah,
for
of
I
sure.
want the
Sure.
pink matching with my pink dress.
I want the blue.
So you
Aqua
like
blue.
the
This is yum.
Yeah, you're
It's like
smelling well.
bubble gum and nice. Oh my god. I'm gonna tell Gurpreet actually. I have a couple of my friends who've got babies now. So yeah, this is a great brand.
and it
For them
stays
to know.
for a long
It's
time.
beautiful. It's beautiful. So that's what. So we were planning something. We
Yeah.
are planning something, and next time, hopefully, when we meet, we will
Yeah,
have
we'll
something
have a brand.
out there. And that's what I keep doing for my set of family and friends and people that I know. Like if I'm at a place where I know कि अब थोड़ा किस तरह से you can make or you can invest or you can
Yeah.
multiply, you must spread that information.
डेलुलु सोलुलु बच्चे की जान लोगे क्या. हाई ऑन चाय. चाय प्रेमी विचित्र प्राणी बुलाती है मगर जाने का नहीं. Yes, Angar's latest collection of t-shirts, hoodies, jumpsuits are out. Trendy, cool, new designs with slogans that you and I say in our daily lives at affordable prices. Also, if you're an Angar customer, if you have the Angar merchandise with you, click pics with them and post it on your Instagram and tag me at @Sid_Kannan and I would love to repost them. Angar pehno or Angar machao.
मिस्टर मुकेश अंबानी हो, नीता अंबानी हो, उनके लड़के हो, what is that one thing जो तुमने उनसे सीखा है और they must have said to you which has remained in your heart and your mind?
So I think I've been extremely fortunate, like for someone like me who's been young and trained by them for years, and for every member of the family. I've been trained by each and every one of them, almost grown up with Akash and Isha, listening to them, working with them in different roles and responsibilities. The one thing, सब सोचते होंगे कि boardroom में आप जब जाते हो, the war is actually won there with the way he thinks, with the way he defines his objectives. There is no in their dictionary. वो कभी ना समझते ही नहीं. आप ना बोलो for the country. So that's one thing that clearly comes in the family, that you work for the country. The biggest learning that I've had as a human being, which has kind of grown me personally, is humility. the kind of humility they have is unbelievable, unparalleled. Like and one of the examples, I was there in the building, in their home, working on my birthday, 17th August, and सब कुछ हो गया, 11 बजा था, Akash comes in, I was getting reviewed for a marketing campaign with Mrs. Ambani sitting, heading the campaign. She's so nicely, we've had our dinner, सब कुछ, we've been fed everything. I'm sure you've seen all of that they're so humble and human as a family. वो खत्म हो गया, and then before I'm about to leave at 11 o'clock, I see a huge cake outside where they're trying to celebrate my birthday with me on the campus, because they said that 11 बज गए, अब तू कहीं जाएगा बाहर, so we will celebrate it for you, and the entire family comes in and celebrates it with me. It's just unbelievable. Like, they will go to any extent for you. If there's an emergency in the family, medical emergency, if there's anything that you need, they are one call away. Like, you won't even need to call them. They will already know. That is why they are where they are. Yeah. Like, they are not just Asia's most powerful, they're probably one of the most powerful families in the world. And the kind of humility they come with, they will remember each and every person's name. हम तो चलो उनके साथ काम करते तो it's obvious, but they meet you once and they address you with your name. How unbelievable is that? Mr. Ambani gets close to what, 200, 300, 400 mails a day within 24 hours. हम नहीं कर पाते. Within that man, in 24 hours, will have a written reply for you for every mail that you sent him. That is the passion that they live with. They work till 3, 4, 5 a.m. in the morning. Like, with that kind of wealth, most of us would be reluctant, right? हमारे कुछ तो अंदर सेट हो जाएगा कि यार लेट्स टेक इट इजी, जाते हैं थोड़ा हवाई जाके आराम करते हैं, थोड़ा तो चिल करें, लाइफ में उड़ाते हैं. बट विद द फैमिली आई हैव सीन देयर इज नो लुकिंग बैक. लाइक दे विल हैव द गुड मोमेंट्स, दे विल एंजॉय, दे लिव इट किंग साइज, बट continuously they are at it, which is why they are where they are. But humility is the top quality I've seen.
इनके बिग बॉस के फ्रेंड से मिले कि नहीं आप?
नहीं मिलो.
Like, I remember you, Abhishek Malan, आकांक्षा पूरी, आप लोग
आकांक्षा से मिले हैं ये. आई थिंक मैं जो पार्टीज होस्ट करती रहती हूँ, so he's met आकांक्षा. अभिषेक मलान से नहीं मिले. But हाँ, Akansha has met him and she was very, very happy for me. First time जब मिली थी वो रोहन से, and he's like, oh my God, P, I'm so happy for you. And also he met Akansha very well, yeah.
तो ऐसा हो गया because एक इंसान एक peaceful phase में होता है personally. तो जैसे जो अनबन हुई थी आपकी बिग बॉस के घर में एक्स लोगों के साथ, उनको फॉरगिव कर दिया, you're relaxed, have you met them? Like आपके जिया शंकर, पूजा भट्ट, मनीषा रानीज, ये सब दोस्त हैं? हंस रहे हैं. हंस क्यों रहा है?
What a politically correct answer I'm hoping for. The spotlight's here.
ये हंस रहे वहां साइड से. तुम हंस क्यों रहे हो भाई?
Oh my God, when Sid is there, these questions are going to come. He'll put you very nicely in that spotlight. Akansha, of course, I'm in touch with. Manisha, I'm in touch with. Instagram पे बात होती रहती है. Akansha तो मैं last month मिली थी. But अभी proposal के time पे she had messaged me and she was asking marriage, what are the when are you planning to get married and all of that. तो हमारी बात हुई थी. अभिषेक से भी Instagram पे बात होती है. जिया से मैं बिल्कुल टच में नहीं हूँ अभी. So हाँ, वो we lost touch after the show only. तो इतना कुछ उनसे बात नहीं होती है. बाकी मैं किसी से टच में नहीं हूँ. कुछ लोगों से मैं बिल्कुल इंटरेस्ट ही नहीं है मुझे टच में रहने का. I only need good vibes around me. No negativity at all.
So you're not going to have a party with him, with your big boss friends?
I think he's only met Akansha. Manisha, so you've met? No, you've not. No. He's only met my core people. And it's nice that he meets those people only who are like my family and core.
But कभी मैंने बहुत बार सुना है यार, लोग after they come out of the house after a couple of months say, अच्छा यार चलो जिया शंकर के साथ चीजें ठीक नहीं थी, but अब I'm okay, I want to be friends again. ऐसा सीन है?
ऐसे efforts दोनों ने किया नहीं honestly after the show. हाँ, एक पार्टी में I think अरमानी का event था, तब हम मिले थे. We just crossed by at the bar and we just spoke. She asked me how you doing and then we just like had like a small talk. That's it. उसके बाद she never took the initiative of talking to me. I never took the initiative. She's happy in her own life. I'm happy in my own life and I have more priorities in life at the moment. So I would rather focus on that.
Damn, the big boss party you wanted, you're not getting, brother.
That's what I was thinking.
हाँ? Imagine. अच्छा ये मिलो जिया से, ये मिलो मनीषा से, ये मिलो एल्विश, शिमला, अभिषेक. वो पार्टी नहीं हो रहा है तुम्हारा यार.
Sid, you will plan that party now for all of us. Since you're the mediator now and it's good to everybody, so let's do that.
आप उन लोगों से मिलना चाहोगे?
Of course, why not?
हाँ, why not? ना?
Why not?
है ना?
ओके बेबी.
तुम्हारी एल्विश के साथ टच में आप?
नहीं, कभी मैं मिली ही नहीं थी ना सिर्फ. वो तो वाइल्ड कार्ड आए थे और मेरे तो शो चालू होने से पहले ही मुझे निकाल दिया था, तो फिर वो मौका ही नहीं मिला मुझे.
अभी भी इसको
मिलने
लगता है
का.
हाँ बॉस मुझे निकाल दिया है.
Of
अभी भी
course,
इसको
I
हमें भी
deserve
लगता
to
है.
be part of that show.
हमें भी
यार,
लगता है.
बुलाओ
India wants
वापस
her
से
back.
देखते हैं क्या. The people were like literally कि bring back Palak. That was
Yeah,
trending
yeah.
also. फिर भी नहीं डाला यार मुझे शो में वापस. क्या है ये?
ये ब्रिंग बैक पलक में इसका भी था क्या कमेंट्स
हाँ.
वमेंट्स?
होगा.
ब्रिंग बैक पलक पता था बोर्ड रूम
He
में
was
बैठा है.
affiliated.
हेलो मिस्टर मिसेस अंबानी वेट ट्वीट ब्रिंग बैक पलक. अच्छा अभी बताइए हाँ ये स्ट्रेटजी है ये हुआ.
चलो एटलीस्ट जो भी है वो जितना भी मैंने उस शो में छापा छोड़ा एटलीस्ट अच्छा छोड़ा. लोगों ने अच्छा ही सब
नहीं
मुझे
बॉस आपकी
बोला.
रेलेवेंसी
I
और
think,
बढ़
yeah,
गई थी
yeah,
उसकी वजह
yeah,
से. ऑल सेड एंड डन.
absolutely.
और वो भी 14 दिन के अंदर. इट्स नॉट अ
Yeah,
जोक
yeah,
क्या.
yeah, of course. I came out with all the dignity and respect which I loved, and at least इस बहाने मुझे रोहन भी मिला. He saw me on the show.
बट आप अभिषेक और आकांक्षा साहब पार्टी करते थे साथ में.
जी जी.
वो सब क्यों छोड़ दिया आपने?
छोड़ा नहीं सर. सब अपनी लाइफ में इतने बिजी हो गए. आकांक्षा से मेरा मिलना होता है बट अभिषेक स्टेज इन दिल्ली. वो बॉम्बे बहुत कम आते हैं. जब आते हैं वो पिंग करता है. ऐसा नहीं है नहीं होती है बात. बीच बीच में बात होती रहती है. आकांक्षा हैज बीन ट्रैवलिंग. उसका अभी सब चल रहा है. शी इज डूइंग ऑल हर म्यूजिक वीडियोज एंड ऑल आई थिंक. सो शी इज ऑल्सो बीन ट्रैवलिंग अ लॉट. आई हैव बीन ट्रैवलिंग अ लॉट. सो मिलना होता नहीं है. ऐसा नहीं है डेलिबरेटली नहीं मिल रहा है बट मिलना नहीं होता. बट नाउ दैट यू मेंशन आई एम गोना राइट अवे गो आउट एंड कॉल आकांक्षा टू मीट मी नाउ.
और पूजा भट्ट को फॉरगिव किया कि नहीं?
वो तो रहने ही दो अभी जो भी है. अभी मेरी परसों मीटिंग थी विद महेश भट्ट प्रोडक्शन. यू रिमेंबर आई टोल्ड यू दे कमिंग अप विद अ सीरीज.
तो फिर
जाऊंगी मिलूंगी. आई वाज इन श्रीलंका. आई केम यस्टरडे. अपने मैरिज की रेकी करके आई हूं मैं
तो
अभी.
पूजा को भी बुला दो मीटिंग के लिए कि
सही है.
हाँ
पर मुझे बहुत मजा आया था वो वाले
सेगमेंट
में.
Yeah, what तुम अपना पीओवी तो बताओ कैसे लगा.
हाँ.
मुझे ऐसा लगा कि
हाँ.
from a lot of people who are on one side and they're not wanting to speak up, I love people who are women who are strong. मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगता है and I love to empower the women that I'm with. कि अगर ये कभी कुछ कर भी रही होगी ना मैं सबसे पहले जाके उससे बोलूँगा कि ये कर सकते हैं even before I can do it because मेरे अंदर inherently है. Like I've been raised that way. My mom, my sister, all of them are extremely strong-headed individuals. तो इसको जब मैंने देखा और वो सामने से पूजा भट्ट को जाके एक ही लड़की ने जाके ऐसे बताया ना कि मैं बताती हूँ तेरे को विद ड्यू रिस्पेक्ट टू हर व्हाटएवर शी वाज प्लेइंग इन हर ओन स्पेस. मुझे बहुत मज़ा आया देख के. मुझे लगा कि कोई तो खड़ा हुआ वहाँ पे कि जो अगेंस्ट द इंटायर ग्रुप गोज एंड स्टैंड्स एंड सेज लॉजिकली. ऐसा नहीं कि मुझे कीड़ा करना है तो मैंने बोल दिया और मैं भाग गई. वो जाके खड़ी थी. शी ओन्ड दैट स्पेस.
बट सबको उस घर में वही लग रहा था सिर्फ कि इनके साइड जाएंगे तो शायद मे बी शी इज द प्रिंसिपल ऑफ द हाउस सो लेट्स जस्ट गो
Power
एज
game
पर
वाला था
पावर
ना?
गेम वाला था. कोई इंडिविजुअली अपनी गेम नहीं. एंड फॉर मी इवन इन रियल लाइफ I can't do that ass licking thing for anybody for that matter, whatever position you are. All due respect with wherever you are, but I mean I have my own game to play and everyone who's come and is part of this house is equal. आप ठीक है इस घर के बाहर आप सब आपकी अपनी अपनी हायरार्की है बट इस घर में आप सब इक्वल हो. सो आई कांट डू दैट thing where I have to soothe her ego to play the game, and I think I'm strong enough myself as an individual that I don't have to do that to you. I'm not a people's pleaser, so I've never done that.
आपको कौन कौन पसंद आए थे घर में पलक के अलावा? हाँ
मुझे जेन्युइनली ये पसंद आई थी और उसके अलावा बहुत ज़्यादा कोई ऐसा नो वन स्टूड आउट फॉर मी.
No?
Not really. I like Malhan quite a bit.
Yeah.
Elvish was nice when
He
he
was
entered.
strong.
He was very strong. Both of them were very
yeah.
strong as individuals. मुझे
Yeah.
मज़ा आता था उनको देख के.
मनीषा रानी
She was sweet. She's very
was
sweet.
herself.
You like her?
She was
I
herself.
liked her.
I liked Akansha
वो
as
रियल
well.
थी वो लड़की बिल्कुल जो थी वो मुंह पे थी.
Yeah, Manisha,
I liked
Akansha.
Manisha.
All of them were
Akansha
really
also I
good.
got along really. वो तो
जिया शंकर.
I mean, there was an episode of theirs where they were sitting and they were talking about something happening around.
बेबी का.
हाँ, I think
वाला
Vevika का.
episode ही था.
So ठीक था मतलब I was not very like fond but ठीक था.
हाउ स्वीट यार.
ये इसको मतलब इंडस्ट्री कॉन्वर्सेशंस एंड ऑल दीस थिंग्स.
भागता है ये.
मुझे
हाँ,
मुझे
मतलब-
पता है I love travel. Like one of the things she just said कि why is she not in touch with some people and I take a lot of responsibility for that. Like I've heard some people also complain कि अरे you changed and तू हमारे साथ time
ये
नहीं spend
बहुत सुनने
करती.
मिलता है.
Because हम literally every weekend we are away. We are either traveling. रात को फ़ोन पे बात करेंगे Friday कहाँ जाना है कूर्ग जाना है चलो उठे सुबह चले गए Sunday night we are back Monday से office. वैसे क्या है ना, आई एम ऑल्सो वर्किंग ऑन द वीकेंड, तो चल रहा है वो जो भी रिमोटली चल रहा है. अभी रिसेंटली लाइक श्रीलंका शी इज टॉकिंग अबाउट लास्ट वीक, हमने ऐसे डिसाइड किया कि हमें रेकी पे जाना है. वी डिसाइडेड ऑन थर्सडे एंड फ्राइडे नाइट वी वर ऑन द फ्लाइट एंड हम कल रात को
we
वापस
just
आए.
leave, we wake up, we
and
leave.
it's my dream. Like there are 175 countries, 210 to be honest, 175 inhabited properly safe to go, जहाँ पर flights जाती है, connection है cellular, and उसमें से मुझे 150 cover करनी है. And in the next 10 years I want to do 15 countries a year. I'm very clear. And I told her this in the beginning, that are you wanting to be the companion who takes the window seat? I'm okay taking the middle seat.
He
But are
always
you-
takes the middle seat.
Yeah, are you okay to be that companion for the next 15 years? Because I would really want to do that. It's my
Yeah.
dream. And it's her dream as well.
Yeah.
Yeah, my wife and me also travel a lot.
Yeah.
Yeah, you guys travel so much.
Yeah,
like
I-
exactly like that.
It's so refreshing. Yeah.
Yeah,
You,
yeah.
you
absolutely.
open up, you learn, you
Learn
grow as
so
individuals.
much, yeah.
So हमने 9 महीने में 3 countries ही किए अभी. So we are running a little
Behind.
Work's been tough, but
Yeah,
we will
work's
kind of pick
been a
up
little-
pace
Yeah.
and reach there.
Wow. कभी कभार इनसिक्योरिटीज भी होती है बिकॉज शी इज एन एंटरटेनमेंट गर्ल.
Correct.
जैसे एक दोस्त ने मुझसे कहा कि आई कांट एवर इमेजिन माय वाइफ हुज एन एक्ट्रेस किसिंग ऑन द स्क्रीन.
Yeah.
इफ दीज सिचुएशंस कम अप, क्योंकि ओटीटी का जमाना है,
Correct.
एजी कंटेंट इज इन, वुड यू बी ओके विद हर किसिंग ऑन द स्क्रीन?
So to your first question, insecurities मुझे 9 महीने में तो नहीं आई हैं. And she is around beautiful people. She's around good-looking men. She's been around good-looking men in the past. Insecurity तब आती है when the other person's looking out for something more. And वो आपको ऐसा communicate कर देते हैं बिना बोले, but आपको communicate हो जाता है कि if she's standing on the corner or she's talking to someone and you're not getting the desired attention or you're lacking something in the relationship, तब वो आता है. हमारे लिए वो इतना strong है Sid कि so I've partied, आई थिंक जितना मैंने अपने पूरे लाइफ में नहीं किया उससे ज़्यादा मैंने. दिवाली की इनकी पार्टीज होती हैं तो मेरे पास 6 कुर्ते थे. वो 7th डे आई वाज आस्किंग हर कि मैं रिपीट कर सकता हूँ क्या.
तो इससे क्या बोला फिर?
बोला कि ठीक है स्टाइल अलग कर लो.
नहीं, I said let's go shopping. I would never ask you to repeat your kurtas.
Yeah, so इतनी ज़्यादा मैं सोशल बन चुका हूँ. So even when we are in a party and she is standing away with some people for half an hour, 45 minutes, वो हमारा आई ग्लांस होता है ना दूर से, and we just smile and we know that I'm comfortable, I'm with my set or her set of friends. We just look at each other and we are good.
Yeah.
तो वो इनसिक्योरिटी कभी नहीं आई आगे जाके इन केस. एंड वी डिस्कस दिस बिकॉज दिस इज इम्पोर्टेंट.
Yeah.
लाइक ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए कि ये किसी मूवी पे साइन अप करती है या OTT साइन अप करती है, नाम लगा रहे डूड यू कांट डू दिस. इट्स आर्ट, इट्स प्रोफेशन एंड आई हैव मेंटेन दैट. And if you treat it like art, there's nothing wrong with it.
Yeah.
She's in fact told me कि the day I have something like that, I will take you on set. And the moment I've done that, I come run hugging you. So I said, there's no need. I trust you blindly. Like अगर वो trust ही नहीं रहे ना, then फिर मैं हर Instagram के उनका मैसेज आया या उनका WhatsApp का पिंग आया, मेरा दिमाग उधर ही जाएगा. You can't live like that. She's in an industry where she will meet people, she will have people. There will be people hitting on her. I know that. मतलब it's I'd be dumb to think that such a desirous woman and people don't hit on her. Every other day there will be someone hitting on her.
But
I'm
there's a
very
lot
secure.
in corporate life also. ऐसा नहीं है just industry
They also hit
has
on him,
it.
huh?
I mean, he's a good-looking chap, so intelligent. I mean, I'll be shocked if women are not loitering around him.
I do get
in the
that a
office
lot.
also,
But
he
I'm very
doesn't
clear. Like I
reciprocate.
pass a message very clearly that
yeah.
even before this happened, I was very clear that I'm not open right now. I'm closed, and
Yeah.
I don't give that vibe कि मैं कैसिनो में चल कॉफी पे चलते हैं. That's not for me. If you're going to work, you're going there to work.
Yeah.
Slog your ass off, make that money, make that position, give respect to what you're doing, and उसके बाद आके आपको जो मजे करने हैं. So both of us are very secure that way.
और आप वो अटेंशन बाहर तब ढूंढते हो जब आप खुद के रिलेशनशिप में ही सिक्योर नहीं हो और तब आप सेटिस्फाइड खुद ही नहीं हो. बट यहाँ पे यू गॉट एवरीथिंग. गॉड इज लाइक कि ये लो, मैंने आपको प्लेटर में दिया है जो जो आपने मांगा है. अब इसके बाद भी इफ यू आर लुकिंग फॉर दैट डिजायर्ड अटेंशन लाइक ही राइटली सेड बाहर, तो फिर सबसे ज्यादा बेवकूफ इंसान आपके जैसा मुझे कभी नहीं मिला.
That's true.
So we're so happy and secured in our own relationship कि हमें कोई दिखता ही नहीं है. Honestly, we're so madly, deeply, fiercely in love with each
But
other.
again, would you be okay अगर इनको कोई intimate scene करना हो?
Of course. As long as I know and both of us know the production house is clear, they're clean, what is happening,
Yeah.
what's going out there
The
is
way they're
fine.
shooting.
I obviously happen to know a lot of people in the industry because I've worked with them, we've directed together, like I've been with them when they're directing my ads, etc. So I know thoda bahut how the industry
Yeah.
functions. So that way, we'll be good.
बॉस गुड लुकिंग है, समझदार है, ये क्या इनसिक्योर हो, लोग इससे इनसिक्योर हो जाएंगे यार, है ना?
I
You're
swear.
too
है ना?
kind. You're too kind.
No, but that's the truth, भाई, that's the truth. शादी का क्या सीन है?
ओहो, अभी हम आए हैं श्रीलंका से, ठीक है, ये अभी डिस्क्लोज नहीं हुआ है, बट हमने काफ़ी प्रॉपर्टीज देखी. पहले तो फर्स्ट 3 days आई वाज सो डिसअपॉइंटेड सिड. इतनी प्रॉपर्टीज हमने देखी. एक तो वेदर चैलेंज था, दूसरा 3 घंटा ड्राइव फ्रॉम द एयरपोर्ट. जो प्रॉपर्टी हमें पसंद आई बिकॉज आवर मैन वांट्स इट एट टू बी बाय द बीच, सनडाउन.
God, boss, my wife and me wanted the same thing. I can't
Beach
believe
wedding.
we had a beach wedding.
Yeah, oh.
या महाबलीपुरम,
Oh, wow.
Fisherman's Cove.
Wow.
मजा आ गया.
Beautiful,
Yeah,
Mahabalipuram तो is very nice.
It's amazing.
So Sri Lanka and Goa were our options. तो पहले हमने देखा वो 2 घंटा ड्राइव था. बेंटोटा वी सॉ मैंने एक प्रॉपर्टी देखी. देन उसकी डेट्स नहीं मैच अप हो पा रही हैं बिकॉज वेदर कंडीशंस. फिर 3-4 प्रॉपर्टीज देखी, कोई एकदम नॉट लाइक अप out there what I wanted it to be, very dreamy, very out there, like a very European style wedding. तो सब कैंसिल हो गया. अब लास्ट डे जब हम पहुंचे, वी वर एट द एयरपोर्ट. आज एक बेब कुछ नहीं हो रहा, श्रीलंका इज कैंड. हम लोग की फ्लाइट कैंसिल हुई है एट द एयरपोर्ट. दे pushed us to another flight the next day in the evening. Suddenly we're driving back to the hotel. I get a mail I received from Cinnamon Life, this property that I had on my mind कि चलो ये भी एक बार एक्सप्लोर कर सकते हैं, बट हमें टाइम नहीं मिला वो एक्सप्लोर करने के लिए. We extended our stay to 1 day. Now next day हमने जब Cinnamon Life देखी, we were like, babe, this is it for us. This is our dream property, what I want. It's beach facing, has infinity pool, those big, nice, massive stairs coming down, very dreamy, very out there. So mostly
But
we're
that's
on
what the
verge.
universe does to us.
Yeah.
I'm telling you. Like it'll surprise you
4
in the
घंटा हमारी
most
फ्लाइट को
surprising
and we
ways.
saw that property and we were like, this is what we
तो
want.
डेट क्या है? कोई टेंटेटिव डेट है क्या?
January 15th के बाद
मेरे लिए तो
only we're
next
planning.
week. इनके लिए January.
He तो he is and okay, I have to tell you one more thing. He wants to get married to me 9 times,
The 7.
7 times. मैं ज्यादा बोल दिया.
क्योंकि 7 फेरों के चक्कर में वही. हाँ,
उसको 7
वो होता
बार
है ना that
शादी
you have
करनी
7
है.
important things that you say, the promises that you make. तो मेरे मन में ऐसा था कि there are multiple locations and without divulging too
शिव
much.
पार्वती is
शिव
one.
पार्वती. So उत्तराखंड में एक जगह है जहाँ पर शिव और पार्वती की शादी हुई थी. It's the most pious, the
Yeah.
strongest aura. It's a beautiful place. बहुत ज़्यादा commercial नहीं है इस point पे. Lot of people don't know about it, but I always wanted to go there, take her there. तो वही ये मैं हंसती थी मेरे ऊपर कि ये क्या है, कहाँ जाना है. So then we went to, so we did this spiritual trip with our parents, with my parents अभी recently 3-4 months ago. So we went to बड़े मंदिर, which is my Guruji's
Yeah,
ashram.
it's beautiful.
जहाँ मैं सैटरडे यहाँ पर बॉम्बे में भी है सेवा करने जाता हूँ. वी वेंट टू वैष्णो देवी, वी वेंट टू गोल्डन टेम्पल. सो शी वांटेड टू गो टू गोल्डन टेम्पल. वो 3 दिन हम ऐसे भागते हुए हमने तीनों ट्रिप करी. वो इतना ब्यूटीफुल था. एंड दैट इज़ वेयर इन आवर माइंड्स हमने जब अरदास के लिए सर झुकाया और हमसे पूछा कि आपको क्या चाहिए, तो मैंने बस यही बोला 7 lives. एंड आई वाज डन दैट डे. अब आप मेरी शादी कराओ नहीं कराओ जैसे कराओ, आई एम गुड. लाइक फॉर मी आई एम रेडी नेक्स्ट वीक, बट ऑब्वियसली
For
हर
him, it's like whatever you want, baby. Oh, you want this kind of wedding? We'll do it that way. But I feel it's so beautiful that his life just revolves around me. And sometimes I'm like, no, but I want it to be the way you want it to be, which is why we picked up the beach wedding. And 7 different weddings in a way. पहले he's like कि पहले शिव पार्वती वाली करेंगे and different locations I want to do. I said okay.
So let's see what God has in
Yeah,
store.
but-
पेरेंट्स का क्या रिएक्शन है एक दूसरे के साथ?
Parents are like family now. So
Yeah,
the
oh my
most
God.
beautiful thing said, for me it's very important
Yeah.
that she got along with my parents. For her it was important because the way I saw her, ये जितनी close थी, today's day and age I don't see people who are that close to their families and
Yeah.
parents, and वो रहता है थोड़ा सा awkwardness. I stay with my family, she stays with her. एंड वो चीज़ जो मैंने फर्स्ट टाइम देखी ना, दैट शी स्टेज विद द पेरेंट्स, और उसको है कि वो पूरे टाइम उनका देखती है. इफ दे आर फेसिंग एन इशू शी विल गो देयर, शी विल बी द मैन ऑफ द हाउस. शी डजंट, शी इज अनअबैशेडली देयर. लाइक उसको कोई झिझक नहीं है. शी इज़ द सेम वे विद माई फैमिली. वो माई मॉम कन्फाइड्स इन हर मोर देन she confides in me. She's like, I like Palku more than I like you. And I'm like, hello, I thought I was the favorite. And वो जो shift आया है ना, it is beautiful. Like for families to come together now, like we
Yeah.
holiday together now. We are again planning Goa this month with both families coming together. It's the most beautiful thing. Like you don't need anything else in life. Once you have that, आपके लिए वो contentment आ जाती है.
Yeah, for
It's
my
beautiful.
family also, they found an elder son. Seriously, the contentment that I see on my dad's face when he met Rohan, मतलब वो तो इतने overwhelmed, इतने
वो
he
रो रहे
teared
थे
up.
and I didn't know what to do.
He
Like he
just
hugged
started-
me and he started.
पहला मीटिंग था क्या?
पहला मीटिंग था जब मैं उनके घर गया. It was Diwali. She was throwing a Diwali party and I went and he cried for minutes and I was hugging him and I was awkward कि मैं क्या बोलूँ. So I'm like uncle सब ठीक हो जाए. मुझे लगा कि मुझे देख के मैं इतना बुरा तो नहीं हूँ कि मुझे देख के वो रोना निकल गया. But that Rona I think was the happy Rona.
I think my whole family is very sensitive.
They
and
deserve the
emotional.
happiness,
Yes,
huh?
they do. They truly do. It's so beautiful the way he also treats my family like his own, and you know छोटी छोटी चीज़ें. My mother falls sick, मेरे करने से पहले घर पे दवाइयाँ आ जाती हैं. IV drip, the person's out there on my door at 8 a.m. to do her tests. Like before I could, I'm literally saying he's a son of the family. You know, even me or my brother.
Respect you more, brother.
No, absolutely. And these are the things, you know, that you fall for even more. He makes me fall in love with him every day more and more. These are the smallest things, but they're the most important, I feel, Sid. Malaf, for my brother, he's out there for my family like a rock. Anything they need, anything they desire, like he's out there. Yeah, let's just make it happen.
I might just jump a few years ahead, but पूछ लेता हूँ. दोनों को desire है to be parents, have babies?
Of course.
Yeah, we want to.
3-4 years down.
3-4 years down.
ये discuss किया है?
हाँ हाँ.
हम करते रहते हैं. तो अभी इसीलिए उनका थोड़ा सा on and off answer आ रहा है. But whatever she's comfortable with, because it's her body, her rules. Like a lot of times there are people who comment also on Instagram and say something about an actor कि आपने ये क्यों किया, आपने वो क्यों किया. And I've always maintained that आपको सिर्फ जो करना है, it is your body, your rule. Similarly for her, it's her body, her rule. And आप जब अटैक करते हो ना किसी को बेकार की चीज़ों को लेके, तो वो उसके ऊपर रहना चाहिए. मतलब या तो आप सामने आओ और मेरे को इस शो पे बताओ, बोलो, and then let's have a healthy conversation कि किस चीज़ से आपको क्या इशू है. तो similarly for having a child, for parenthood, it's her body, her rules also. Like it's not someone I would love to, but it's not someone who's going to enforce and say चाहिए. Whatever life has in store.
I'm no one to pass a comment, but मुझे मालूम है कि you'll also be a great mama.
Aww.
Because I saw you so beautifully with my daughters, without knowing them, without हम दोनों एक दूसरे को नहीं जानते थे. And you were so sweet with them. I think you'll be a great mama, but not to put pressure on you.
Yeah.
No pressure.
No pressure. I'm just saying that.
But the most beautiful kids, look at her.
And look at
Look at
you.
his eyes.
साले तेरे को
Look at
देख.
his eyes. Can you please zoom into his eyes? Oh my
But sir,
God.
do you
they're
feel
most
this?
magical.
Do you feel this? That a lot of people say that we look
Look
alike.
similar?
Do we?
Very.
Do we?
God, like
A lot of people say that.
I don't want to say भाई बहन.
जिससे मैं मिलवाती थी, like you look so similar. It's so unlike.
Of some universes, brother and sister.
Maybe you never know.
I don't want to visit that universe.
I'm sure.
But yeah, like I've told him that you know I want to enjoy life with you. मुझे मतलब I want to have you as a whole for at least few years. So yeah, I told him 3-4 years at least. Let's travel the world. Let's explore things together.
Both of us want to travel a lot. Like we are
Yeah.
both aligned on certain things.
Yeah.
Like we both like luxury.
Yeah.
We both like traveling. We both like
Yeah.
certain things.
So, yeah.
So वो है. We want to live it up first. We इतने देर से मिले हैं तो फिर might as well just explore.
Yeah. और मैं वही बोलती इतना late क्यों मिले तुम मुझे?
But there's a lot of gratitude. That's one thing,
Yeah.
Sid. Like in both our lives,
Absolutely.
एक चीज है that we wake up in the morning and both of us like ऐसा एक दिन नहीं गया होगा
Every
where
day.
we show gratitude to each other. That even when लड़ाई हुई हो ना कभी one off कभी महीने में एक बार कुछ चीज को लेके humans. उसके बाद भी I'm not okay to not end that fight. I don't want it to become like लोग बोलते हैं ना अरे यार couples होगी या friends होगी. I don't want that. Like why can't you have the most
Yeah.
beautiful run?
Let's not normalize that.
Yeah, let's not normalize fights. Let's not normalize कि ये तो होता ही है. Or I will stay upset with you for so many days. तो वो हमारे अंदर वो gratitude है. सुबह उठ के हम देखते हैं एक दूसरे को बोलते हैं कि यार
We're so grateful to have
so
each
grateful.
other.
Like I'm genuinely, I feel like the luckiest man on earth to have someone like her. Genuinely, I'm not saying that because I'm being heard. I'm saying that because I never knew a person like this could exist, come into my life, accept me the way I am, mold me in certain ways, and show me the kind of love that I get every day. I'm genuinely like this is beyond, and it's love at a much higher level. It's कभी-कभी कुछ लोग देख के बोलते हैं ये तो जुनूनी प्यार है, ये जैसा है. Like her brother was telling me that day when we were partying together, and he's like कि मेरे को सेठ बुलाता है, सिंधी जो सेठ आप निकलो. फिर यहाँ से हम लोग घर जाते हैं, मैंने कहा मैं उसको साइड पे लेके हमें शैंकी प्लीज़ हमें को उसको ड्रॉप कर लेने दे। तो बोलते हैं क्यों, घर जा रहे हैं हम। तो मैंने कहा यार दैट 45 minutes alone when I get with her at night now, that is everything for me. Like after a party where you're with everyone, you're jumping, you're screaming, you're wild and everything, that calm. And even if she sleeps on my shoulders, that is enough for me. That is my therapy.
Initially, I used to think ये सब hunky dory है, it's a honeymoon phase. हाँ आ रहा है ड्रॉप करने, गाड़ी का दरवाजा खोल रहा है. रोज he's coming from town to Malad. That's a long way, 1 hour drive. But I was like, देखते हैं कब तक चलता है. But till date, Sid, it's been 8 months. This man has been consistent with that, and that's what made me realize, यार, he's never gonna take me for granted.
पर ये मुझे बताओ, कभी कभार ये डर भी रहता है कि चीज़ें बहुत फास्ट हो रही है, 8 महीना ही हुआ है कि यार सडनली मीटिंग, रोमांस, एंगेजमेंट, मैरिज, वो डर लगता है?
वो नहीं लगता मुझे, बिकॉज एवरी डे वी लिव ऐसा लगता है कि हम साल जी रहे हैं, बिकॉज वी आर बोथ दैट वे, थोड़ा ड्रामेटिक एज वेल एज थोड़ा प्रैक्टिकल. वी बोथ लाइक ड्रामा बट वी आर बोथ प्रैक्टिकल ऑल्सो. तो ऐसा लगता है कि वी आर लिविंग अ लॉट ऑफ टाइम टुगेदर. जैसे हॉलीडे करके लगेगा कि हम 1 महीना वहाँ रह के आए, बट एक डर आई विल कन्फेस मेरे हमेशा रहता है कि व्हेन यू वेक अप, is it too good to be true? And I've always told her, and she said that I feel the same too. That when you wake up in the morning, you have to pinch each other. और ऐसा लगता है कि too good to be true. मतलब ऐसा कैसे हो सकता है, touch wood, कि genuinely ऐसी कुछ चीज़ जो हम दोनों को, we may not be the best people individually. दुनिया में और बहुत अच्छे amazing लोग होंगे, हर बहुत ज़्यादा successful होंगे, बहुत कुछ किया होगा. But together, I don't think हमसे अच्छा couple in my mind. I'm saying this selfishly for me, in my mind. I'm not comparing with anyone. I'm just saying मेरे को फिर वो डर वैसा सुबह आ जाता है. And then she calms me down and says कुछ नहीं है, it's us.
मुझे सिर्फ एक चीज का डर लगता है, वो है नजर. I don't want that.
I also believe in नजर a lot यार.
Yes, we also believe
बहुत
in
लगता
a
है.
lot.
Unfortunately, बहुत सारे लोग, especially relationships में
Yeah,
दुखी
yeah.
हैं, divorces, breakups.
कंपैरिजन है वहाँ पे, स्पेशली सोशल मीडिया पे. मुझे लगता है कि ऑब्वियसली आप अपने पिक्चर्स दिखाने के लिए नहीं, इट्स लव, यू आर इन लव. एंड मेरी जिंदगी तो ऐसी है, एवरीथिंग इज आउट देयर, यू नो. स्पेशली ठीक है, इसका अकाउंट प्राइवेट है, मेरा पब्लिक, इट्स आउट देयर एंड पीपल लव टू सी. ठीक है, एंड यू नो आई वुड वांट टू बी आउट देयर बिकॉज माय रिलेशनशिप इज सो ब्यूटीफुल. लेट पीपल सी, देयर इज ऑलवेज दिस होप एंड लव, you know, and why not? But then again, like I always have this fear back of my head that, you know, बहुत सारे couples उधर हैं जो दुखी हैं, they going through their own traumas, breakups, divorces, and people who are struggling, people around me are struggling today to even find that nice guy in their lives because people out there, they're brutal. You know, एक basic चीज़ नहीं दे पा रहे हैं आज लोग, which is love and respect, which is actually basic, but it's the most difficult to get. सो बस वो नज़र का ही मुझे डर लगता है कि ठीक है, लोग दिखाते तो वो हम आपके लिए बहुत खुश हैं, ये वो, बट पीठ पीछे देयर इज अ सेंस ऑफ कंपैरिजन दैट वी आल्सो वांट व्हाट शी हैज़. उस चीज़ का मुझे बहुत डर लगता है. बट अगेन वी आर गॉड्स प्रोटेक्टेड चिल्ड्रन, सो वी हैव दैट.
तो ये लिव इन विव इन नहीं सोचा आपने कि बिफोर गेटिंग मैरिड, ये बहुत ट्रेंड होता है आज के टाइम पे, वी मस्ट लिव इन टुगेदर, सोचा आप लोगों ने?
मैं थोड़ा ओल्ड स्कूल हूँ.
Yeah.
And
I wanted to.
Yeah, she wanted to, but
Yeah.
I'm slightly old school. मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि फिर live in क्यों? मतलब if you know each other, travel says that you learn a lot. I'm sure you
That's
travel
true.
so much, you learn so much about your companion. And ऐसी कोई चीज़ नहीं होती है. And I'm talking long haul travel. I'm not talking like 2-3 दिन में तो कुछ नहीं पता चलता. But हफ्ता 10 दिन आपने travel किया तो you get to know everything inside out. आप किससे बात करते हो, आपके कौन friends हैं, आप कैसा behave करते हो. आज के दिन में सबसे important क्या है? अगर आपका phone open है ना, without a password, that means that everything is in front of you. उससे ज़्यादा आपकी आइडेंटिटी कुछ नहीं है. मतलब आपकी आइडेंटिटी फ़ोन पे दिख जाती है. आप क्या कर रहे हो, किससे बात कर रहे हो, कैसे कर रहे हो, आप कैसे हो. सो फ्रॉम डे वन बोथ ऑफ अस हैव हैड आवर फोन्स ओपन. उसको मेरा कोई भी पासवर्ड्स, कोई भी अकाउंट्स चाहिए, उसको फिंगरप्रिंट उसका है, शी नोज ऑल माय पासवर्ड्स. एक्चुअली द पासवर्ड इज सो वो चीज़ अगर क्लियर रहे तो कोई मेरे को प्रॉब्लम लगती नहीं है. इसीलिए लाइक मेरे को लगता है कि यार आप शादी करो और रहो साथ में. फिर वो क्यों, मतलब व्हाट आर यू ट्राइंग टू डिस्कवर? व्हाट आर यू ट्राइंग टू डिस्कवर?
No, but my point of discovery is something else only. It's not about, you know, keeping your phones open. All that is of course there, but मेरा perspective of living in together was more about getting to know each other more, how he functions, how he lives, toothpaste का ढक्कन किधर है, कितना नहीं, चीज़ें, how organized he is, how clean he is, वो सब. But वो travel में काफ़ी हद तक आपको पता ही चल जाता है.
दूसरा चीज क्या होता है, टूथपेस्ट का ढक्कन किधर है, पर आदमी ढक्कन नहीं होना. वो बहुत जरूरी है भाई.
Absolutely.
वो तो नहीं है. बस वो सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट है। हाथ भी ढक्कन ना हो, ढक्कन टूथपेस्ट का कहीं पे भी हो तो फर्क नहीं पड़ता।
नहीं
हाँ।
ये तो पूरा पेस्ट है।
Delicious.
Delicious and fresh. Very fresh and minty.
You know what I loved about her? तो सुबह इनका एक बड़ा WhatsApp मैसेज आया पर लंबा सा
Oh my
कि
god.
देखो वो पहली बार आ रहा है रोहन, you know I have taken him out, first time he's going to talk, you have to make him
As a
feel
citizen
comfortable.
friend, I can talk to him
Why
about
not?
it. Yeah,
But I
yeah.
love that.
Yeah.
I love that. Then I came and my wife was there. She gave me a coffee mug. And then I said, I just got this message. And I said, isn't that so sweet? And she's like, yeah, that means...
That's not what you thought, Sid.
No, I thought two things.
Yeah.
I thought one thing was
Very
this.
honest.
No, one thing was that.
I-
The first reaction was, यार भाई, यार मुझे भी तो हक है कुछ पूछने का,
Of course,
है ना?
but you knew what I mean.
Yeah, of course, of course. And the second I thought when I told her, and she was like, wow. And it protective angle बहुत था.
yeah.
और जो तुमने कहा conversation में,
Yeah.
protectiveness, वो मैंने
Sorry,
देखा. तो अभी end of the discussion, comfortable थे कि नहीं भैया? हाँ?
I'm genuinely telling you, ऐसा नहीं कि मैं अभी दुकान खोल लूंगा अपने पॉडकास्ट की, but I had the best time. Like I felt like home. There wasn't a moment where I felt like, oh, I'm in front of camera, I'm answering questions. You are such a genuine gem of a person. We met earlier once,
Yes,
very
I-
briefly. We didn't like talk a lot, but I got that vibe. It was so positive. I was listening to your stories, and they were very motivating to listen to your podcast and how you're shaping up lives. You don't know कहाँ कब किसको कुछ message मिल जाए इससे. Like I keep telling her a lot. Like when she gave up on love and she was in that phase, and then she's come out now. I see so many of girls out there who are sending her messages, who are congratulating her, saying that we also went through something similar. We gave up on love, and now because of you, we've got that hope again. She's giving hope to a lot of people out there. So, you're doing an amazing
And
job,
Sid, our last podcast, oh my God, that was a boom. And to be honest, like there are so many, and thanks to you for that, for getting me on this platform, and I could speak my heart out. You know, there were so many girls on Instagram, they were flooding. They picked out so many reels out of that podcast, saying that thank you so much for putting that message out there for so many of us. And you know, that I mean, I felt that like that was a life-changing thing for a lot of girls out there. So thank you so much for always bringing me to your platform, and I could be myself and opening up to you.
So now वो girls जो तुम्हें एक different अवतार में मिले थे उस वक्त,
Yeah.
वही girls को क्या कहना चाहोगे?
कौन सी गर्ल्स जो मुझे डिफरेंट अवतार में मिले थे?
You were in a emotional upheaval at that time.
Oh, okay, those girls. So I'd just like to say that, you know, there's always that ray of hope in life where don't lose that hope of finding love. Just be patient, surrender yourself to the universe. If you believe in God, just, you know, be out there and be the most truest self, I'm going to say. But hang in there, because there is someone beautiful out there for you, just the way I had my beautiful moment with the man of my life. So don't lose that hope and hang in there.
तो यानी कि इनका नाम है रोहन खन्ना उर्फ होप. हाँ, you can even call him Hopi.
Hoppy!
Hi, Hopi.
Hoppy baby!
Hopi, don't hoppy, huh? Always stay with 100%.
How can you think of when you have someone like her? But thank you so much for having us. It was the most amazing Saturday morning. I would actually be doing Seva right now, but I took that time off because it was important for her. And she told me that how much you mean to her and this podcast means to her. So thank you for having us. We had the most amazing time and reliving what we started off 9 months ago.
And I'm
because
saying this honestly, and I'm not saying this as a लोग social do's में बोलते हैं, but I promise you, I've always been attached to this girl.
Yeah.
I might meet her once in 6 months, once a year.
Yeah, there's a different
But I
connection.
assure you, at any time, I hope you never reach that situation. Would you ever need me? If I'm awake, even if you call me at 3 a.m., I'll be there for you guys. And I swear on God, and I say that. I can feel your goodness. I've been around for so long. I'm 46 years old. I've been doing this since I was 14.
Yeah.
I can feel good people. You're a good man. And I mean it. I'm always there.
thank you so
For you,
much. It means a
TK.
lot. It means a
And
lot.
I'm like a big brother. I mean that, brother.
So sweet.
And good find, darling.
Yeah.